फाइल पढ़ी पढ़ी रेडी कर आसिक आर्ग्यू कले होंदा नहीं खाली टाइम मागिरे कोनटा मिलियो तुमको केबे adjournment on the ground of ill health of his senior. It is made clear that Mr. Sethi will argue the matter on the next date of hearing and list the matter on 5th July. Hala? Tamo na lekhi ji se na eta podibo hai. Se au khasi paribani. Nije ar to senior astre senior side re basibe tamo argue karibe. Hala? Get ready. Ha. Chalo. Next.
My lord, with the lordship's permission.
No,
No mention. Only I am just drawing the attention of the court that
that is also mentioned. Drawing the attention of the court is also mentioned.
my lord, the thing is that one matter argument has been concluded and judgment has been reserved. And
Which matter?
WBC 9185 by
Number
9185 by 2017. The thing is that just before the vacation and during the vacation.
Note dele.
I will do file tomorrow because I was at Allahabad for some honor.
Note.
By tomorrow.
Ah, ठीक है.
Deep lovely.
Okay.
Item 1.
1.
May I please, your lordship? Lord, it's a conviction matter. The petitioners before my lord have been convicted for the offences under section 323, 148 and 149 of IPC and have been sentenced to undergo RI for 2 years. The petitioners were all along bail during trial and
So, you should not admit. I कौन?
my lord, I is there.
I for bail.
Bail, my lord.
Okay. List the matter for final hearing on September 9th. Hala? Final hearing पे ready तो. In the meantime, the LCR be obtained from the rest.
The petitioners may be allowed to go on bail, your lordship.
Koli bra?
Again.
I da. Hello Koli.
Item
Next.
number. My lord, item 2 also here the petitioners have been convicted for 323.
Same.
No, 1 year sentence and the
First time associate to.
again first time as.
Bail lagi cho.
They are in custody since 28/4.
In custody.
In custody, my lord. Since I have mentioned in my IA
So what is the sentence?
sentence 1 year
1 year.
and in custody since 28/4.
कौन करते हैं?
Say 323 रे ये चंद घर पड़िसा लोक पेटतुंडा.
कौन कले?
किछ नहीं initially
Already कौन तो ठीक है सुना है?
my lord
What is your
due to civil dispute.
overt act?
नहीं overt act in the sense due to
Overt act कले, overt करनी.
Simple injury.
again due to
Simple injury.
again
ठीक है. Okay. In custody since when?
28/4.
2024. पूरा कहीं कौन? फाले कहीं कौन? 28/4 माने कौन? 2004, 24, 2023.
2024 years. 28/4 2024.
24, 2024. One second. Indian terms and conditions as prescribed by the as prescribed by the court below, with the further condition that he shall plant at least 50 saplings. ଗାଁର ଲୋକ ନା ସହର ଲୋକ?
ନାଇଁ ଗାଁ ଲୋକ
ଗାଁ ଲୋକ ତ
କନ୍ଧମାଳ
50 in the government ଗଛ local variety plants ସବୁ ଲେଖିଦେବ ହେଲା। Okay, so ଆମ୍ବ ଲିମ୍ବ ଲଗେଇବ ହେଲା, ୟୁକାଲିପଟସ୍ ଲଗେଇବନି। ହାଁ ବେଲ ବି ଚଳିବ, ଲୋକାଲ ଭେରାଇଟି ପରେ ଏନି ଲୋକାଲ ଭେରାଇଟି ହେଲା। ଯେବେ ଯେତେ ବେଲ ଆସିବ ସବୁ ସେୟା କରିବି, 50ଟା ମିନିମମ୍ ଗଛ ଲଗେଇବ ସମସ୍ତେ। Let greenery be a drive.
That should be.
The greenery drive should start from here. Next,
Item 3.
3.
I plead your lawsuit. The petitioner was a construction worker, my lord, died during the time of work employment, my lord, and he is placed for the benefit for under Rule 271, my lord, payment of death benefit. To the courts of
So what is your
construction build and construction worker, my lord.
No, that I know, but what is your grievance?
Grievance is that, my lord, they have not yet released with the benefit as per the notification under Annexure 5, my lord.
Annexure 5.
Annexure 5. I have quoted in page 4, para 8.
What is no, but you have you approached?
Yes,
Yes,
I have
yes.
already approached.
They have approved this, they should take a decision in this.
I
You have given
approached-
recommendation?
Yes,
My
yes.
lord,
କାହାକୁ
Annexure
ଦେଇଥିଲେ?
7,
ଜିଲ୍ଲାପାଳ
ଜିଲ୍ଲାପାଳ
କେବେ
ଦେଇଥିଲେ,
ଦେଇଥିଲେ?
Annexure 8 ଦେଇଛି।
4/7/2022 ରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ସେ କିଛି decision
1
ନେଇନାହାନ୍ତି?
11 2021 ରୁ ଦେଇଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହଁ 21
1
ରେ।
11 2021 ତାପରେ ଦେଇ
Why
ଦେଇଛି।
decision has not been taken, sir? ये ଜିଲ୍ଲାପାଳ
ବୋଲେ ସେଇ ଟାଇମ୍ ରେ କୋଭିଡ ଥିଲା, ତାପରେ ସେ 22 ରେ
decision
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ନେବାରେ କଣ କୋଭିଡ କଣ ମନା
ଗୋଟେ
କରୁଥିଲା?
କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, କମ ସମୟ ଭିତରେ ଡିସିସନ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ନାଇଁ, ସୁପ୍ରା କଣ decision ନେଲା ଟିକେ କହିବ ଆସିକି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା?
ଯଦି କମ ସମୟ ଦେଇଦେବି, ଫେର ସେ ପକେଇକି ରଖିବ, ଫେର ସେ ଭିତରେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଆସିବ, କଣ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ୱାର୍କର କୁ ଦୌଡେଇକି
Labor
ଦରକାର
ର-
କୋର୍ଟକୁ?
My lord.
Take instruction.
Huh.
The petitioner has already approached ventilating his grievances. The petitioner has approached to the authority by way of what? To the district collector by representation dated
Started from, my lord, Annexure 6, my representation has been forwarded by the Joint Labor Commissioner to the Labor Commissioner to the Joint Labor
କୋଉଠି
Commissioner.
page ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ?
Page 31, Annexure 6,
31.
my lord.
Odisha building
Madam.
board.
My complaint along with others, my lord, has
So
been
the
forwarded.
the Land Council petition submit that the Labor Commissioner has already forwarded the case of the present petitioner to the Joint Labor Commissioner Rourkela. Who is the authority actually? Collector or Joint Labor
Collector,
Commissioner?
କଲେକ୍ଟର କୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
collector
And-
ଦିଆଯାଇଛି, Annexure 7,
So
page 30,
ସେ Joint Labor Commissioner
page 30, ଆଗେ ଦିଆ
Annexure 7.
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ନା ଟିକେ।
actually through Labor Commissioner ଦିଆଯାଏ,
Okay, it has been sent through Labor Commissioner.
my lord, because there is a registration number of the workers,
Okay.
that's why.
So it has been sent the representation through the Joint Labor Commissioner, bid annexes 6 and 7. However, the petitioner's case has not been dealt with by the collectors Sundargarh. Even if more than 2 years has been
3
elapsed
years.
in the meantime. Land Council for the state to take instruction from the collector Sundargarh as to why the petitioner's case has not been considered for such a long time.
2 ବର୍ଷ ହଉଛି।
Such a long time,
Yes, yes.
labor case गुड़ाक 2 वर्ष नब तो की collector है जिसे collector is labor small percent बार बार court को कहीं आसियो small his legitimate dues about everything is there, he should get it immediately. ଆଉ ସେ collector କଣ ପାଇଁ 2 ବର୍ଷ ପକେଇକି ରଖିଛି ତାକୁ? କରୋନା ତ କେବେଠୁ ପଳେଇଲାଣି,
ହଁ,
କରୋନା
କରୋନା
ସରିକି
କେବେଠୁ
2 ବର୍ଷ
ଗଲାଣି।
ହେଲାଣି, ଆଉ ଫିର
ଆମର ଏଗୁଡା ଖୋଲା ଚାଲିଲାଣି କେବେଠୁ।
तो फिर why this person has not been given so far
ମାରେ I will take instruction.
within 1 week? Take
ମାରେ
instruction.
ଟିକେ ସମୟ।
No, no, the collector ଆସିବ ନହେଲେ।
ଟିକେ ସମୟ।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ବିଲକୁଲ labor these people
ଏ ମୁଁ ତ
smaller
ମନା
people.
କରିବି, ମୁଁ ତ I will bring the instruction, but I want little bit time. few week ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ନାଇଁ ଆଜି ଅର୍ଡର ଏବେ ରିଲିଜ କର, ଆଜି ଏକା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଆପଣ ନେବେ, within 7 days he has to comply. न कम्प्लाई कले पर्सनल आसीबो
instruction टाକୁ ଟିକେ ନେବା ପାଇଁ ସମୟ ଦେବେନି
ନାଇଁ ଦେଲି ପରା 7 ଦିନ କଣ ହେଲା ସୁନ୍ଦରଗଡ଼ କେତେ ଦିନ କେତେ ଦୂର କି
ତ ମୁଁ ତ ଫୋନ କରିକି ନେବି 10 ଦିନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
7 ଦିନ 7 ଦିନ ଅଧିକ ବିଲକୁଲ
ଠିକ ଅଛି
This is very ବେଶୀ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ I will take instruction
ମୁଁ
your
ଆଉ
lordship
10 20 ଦିନ ବି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଯଦି 2 ବର୍ଷ ପକେଇ ନ
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି
ପକେଇ ରଖି ହେଲା ବୋଲି 7 ଦିନ ଦଉଛି
10 ଦିନ ଦିଅ
7 ଦିନ ବିଲକୁଲ 10 ଦିନ
ଆମେ ପ୍ରେ କରିବୁ ମାଇଲଟଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆମର କଣ ଅଛି
You are going to state to take instruction within 1 week. List the matter on. Okay, 27th. ହେଲା ହେଇଗଲା ତ 10 ଦିନ
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଆପଣ ଦେବେ
27th June ହେଲା 27th June. But ensure that if it doesn't comply,
I will
he has
telephone
to be
him
present
today
here ଏଠୁ
I will today ସେଇଟା ଅର୍ଡର କରନ୍ତୁନି ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଫୋନ କରି
order
ensure
କରୁନି
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି
next. These should be
I know your lordship but
These are small person.
thing is that ଆମ position ଟା କଣ ଆମେ ଟିକେ instruction ଟା ନେଇଗଲେ ଆମ କାମ ସରିଲା ଆମକୁ ଟିକେ ସମୟ ଦେଲେ ଆମେ instruction ନେଇଯିବୁ your lordship knows ଆଜ୍ଞା
Case is in his favor, clearly everything is there. କଣ ପାଇଁ ବସିଛି ଧରି
ଏ ତ ତାଙ୍କ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ
ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ତ ଛଡାଇବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା
ଛଡେଇବାକୁ ପଡିବ
ହଁ ତ
ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ ଛଡେଇବାକୁ
7 ଦିନ ଏବେ ଦେଖ କେମିତି ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଛଡାଯିବ ଦେଖ
ଆପଣ ମାନେ
ଗୋଟେ 2-4ଟାକୁ ଏମିତି ପଠେଇଲେ ଏଠୁ ସେଟା ସେଠି ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଛାଡିବ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 4.
May I please also 7 VC million. May I please also insurance small claim as an reputed on the ground of the limitation by the insurance company, but the ombudsman has rejected that there is a suppression of a pre-existing disease. Limitation part से छाड़ी देले
प्री एग्जिस्टेंस
existence disease माने रोग थिला पूर्वरु लुचै थिला पुलिस हमारे
अरे सर मैं बुझी पारे नहीं एमती कथा कहले आपण कोन पर क्लियरली कहतु
सर पुलिस को प्रथम इंश्योरेंस कंपनी रिजेक्ट कले डेथ केस नॉमिनी फाइल द क्लेम इंश्योरेंस कंपनी रिजेक्ट ऑन ग्राउंड ऑफ लिमिटेशन कला
लिमिटेशन केते दिन
3 वर्ष भीतर करिया कथा ए कला 3 वर्ष न करिके कला 22 रे करछि डेथ होती 2016
कोड 3 वर्ष टाइम दिया कि
सर से कहउछन्ती कि तू देयर इज नो प्रोविजन फॉर
कोड लिखा है लिमिटेशन पीरियड देखा तू
नाही कि मो पुलिस इंटर पुलिस रा वेरीफाइड
पॉलिसी में केंदी नथिबो थिबो ना केते दिन भीतर अप्लाई करियो थिबो ना
नाही सर
नला आईआरडी रे गाइडलाइन रे थिबो
से क्लॉज 45 टा
जल्दी किछि नाही से लिखा हैता एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल
सेथा सारा कहनी कि दैट
तो ता अर्थ न 3 वर्ष आपण देबे
सेटा से सारा कहनी गोटा पॉलिसी हिसाब पर
आपण एमती ये पंचायत होले आर्गु करंदुनी पूरा शो मी वेयर इज the document says there is no clear cut thing but it should be at the earliest cannot just sir sunantu at the earliest cannot be 3 years
no
the earliest can be 1 month 2 month 3 month
yes,
be ठीक
yes,
3
yes,
years
सेटा सर तो नाही किछ कोड नाही दसरा पाइलनी बोली मु सर
मतलब मु सडा at the earliest को इंटरप्रेट करबी it can't be 3 years नाही बोली कहि देले जीवो को सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट देखांतु 3 इयर्स कोडी अर्लिएस्ट बोली लिखा जी
ऊपर जजमेंट आडा सर मु काई दिबी ता परे सर ओम्बुड्समैन
किछि एमती गप्प कला हबे ना ना एमती गप्प पे आपण एठी आसी आर्गु करंतु
सर केस है हिस्ट्री सर ओम्बुड्समैन रिजेक्ट करलो ना ग्राउंड ऑफ प्री एक्जिस्टिंग डिजीज मोर हार्ट अटैक रे मली माने पुरपुर रोगडा थिला सेटा को लुचैची पुलिस समरे डिजीज रोग
कोन डिजीज देखेले ऑर्डर टा
Order out the page 24 starts from page 24 27
ए रोहंत मा रोहि के बड़ होंदनी जति के दरकार हेति कोन
11 27
47
observation and conclusion
47
27 27 27
27 कौन लिखला
observation and conclusion
पढ़ंतु I have carefully gone through the background of the case and the relevant record available in file. I have also given the person hearing the party. This case is the 5.5 years. Okay, let notice go. Issue notice. You are taking notice. LIC. এটা একটা LIC তো? না না না। Oh sorry, এটা হলো কি?
LIC,
LIC? Just
LIC.
ଗୋଟେ LIC of India. ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Yes, sir.
କାହାକୁ ଆପଣ ପାର୍ଟି କରିଛନ୍ତି? ମେମ୍ବର ପାର୍ଟି କାଇଁ?
Sir, party pa sir, ombudsman, divisional manager, branch manager.
ଅମରଷ୍ଟନ୍ କୁ ପାର୍ଟି କରିବେ କଣ ପାଇଁ? Divisional manager life insurance company 2 or 3 ହେଲା 2 or 3 କରିଦେন learn concept of petitioner shall serve copy of the writ petition to OP number 2 and 3 and learn waves of notice on behalf of the LIC ହେଲା ଆପଣ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Alright.
କିଏ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜୁନିୟର କାହାକୁ କହି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦେବେ କପି
ପରଦିନ ଦେଇଦେବି 20 ତାରିଖ ଦେବି।
ପରଦିନ ଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ବି ଲଙ୍ଗ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେବି
ନା,
ଆପଣ
sir,
ଆଜି ଦେଇଥିଲେ ମୁଁ 3 ଦିନ ପରେ କରିଥାନ୍ତି
sir, ଜଣେ ରିଲେସନ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରି ଅଛି ନା ଗାଁରେ ଅଛି।
ହଁ ଆପଣ ସବୁ କପିଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କିନ୍ତୁ କପି ନଦେଲେ ସେ କେମିତି ନେବେ
after tomorrow.
Item 5.
Of life.
5
My lord, the petitioner filed the writ petition paid for a direction to the opposite party, more particular to the opposite party number 3, to renovate the land meant for agriculture, which was to the at
so
the.
what is the case
My case is nothing else, very simple.
simple ତ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ତ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ ଲାଗୁଛି
ସେ ଯୋଉ ଗେଲ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ପାଇପଲାଇନ ଆଜ୍ଞା ନେଲେ ମୋ ଜାଗା ଉପରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଜାଗା ବି ଆଲାଉ କଲି।
ଏ ଗେଲ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ପାଇପଲାଇନ ଆମ ଆସିବନି ଏଟା ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଆକ୍ୱିଜିସନ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନା
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ନାଇଁ
ସେଟା compensation ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି।
କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ସାର୍
ସର
ବୁଝିଗଲି ମୁଁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଇଜ ବେସିକାଲି ଗେଲ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଇଏରେ ଯାଉଛି ନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟିକେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟିକେ ଖାଲି ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କଣ କଲେ ମୁଁ ଜାଗା
ମୁଁ
ଦେଇ
ବୁଝିଲି ମତେ ଖାଲି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଜିନିଷ ହେଲା ଯେ whether it has to come before me or not that's what first I have to decide since this is a matter this should go to the other bench
ଏଟା
not
land
here.
acquisition ରେ ଯିବ ନାହିଁ।
ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଆକ୍ୱିଜିସନ ଆଜ୍ଞା
Compensation.
ଖାଲି କମ୍ପନସେସନ
Compensation କେମିତି ଆପଣ
Land is
ସେମିତି ଆଜ୍ଞା
backward.
କଣ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଗେଲ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଯୋଉ ପାଇପ
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ସାର୍ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଏକ୍ୱାର ହୁଏନି ବଟ୍ ଏଇ ମ୍ୟାଟର ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଏଇଥିରେ ଶୁଣିଲା ବେଳେ ଏଠିକି ଯାଉଥିଲା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ
ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ
ନା,
ଗୋଟେ
ନା, ସାରଙ୍କ କଥା ଟିକେ ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ
ଯେ assignment ଟା ନାହିଁ
ଏଇ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଯାଉନଥିଲା ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଆଗରୁ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଡିବି ରେ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲୁ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଆକ୍ୱିଜିସନ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସେତେବେଳେ ଏଇ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡା ବି ଆସୁଥିଲା ସେଠି ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ବେଞ୍ଚ ରେ ନା ଏଟା ଆସୁନଥିଲା ଡିବି କୁ ଯିବ କାହିଁକି କହୁଛ ସେ ଯେତେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଇଭେନ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଗ୍ରାମ ସଡକ ପାଇଁ ବି ଆସେ ସେଥିରେ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଏକ୍ୱାର କରାଯାଏନି ଏମିତି ନିଆଯାଏ ଲୋକ ଦିଅନ୍ତି
ଇଏ ପାଇପଲାଇନ ଟା ଯାଇଛି ଯୋଉ
ପାଇପଲାଇନ ବି
ଖୋଳିଥିଲେ
ସେମିତିଆ ପାଇପଲାଇନ ବି ସେମିତିଆ
ଖୋଳିଥିଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ମାନେ ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିକ୍ସ ଟା ଫିଲ୍ ଅପ
ପଡିଛି
କରିଥିଲେ
ଫିଲଅପ
In the
ପଡିଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
meantime,
ଇନ ଦ ମିନ ଟାଇମ ସେଟା ଦେ ହାଭ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଟେଡ
In
ରୋଡ
the meantime, I have obtained instruction that land has been repaired. ତା ଯୋଉ ଲସ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା ଚାଷ କରିପାରୁନଥିଲା ସେଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ଆସେସମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇକି 33,623 rupees ଡିଟରମାଇନ୍ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ 3 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବେ ବୋଲିକି ସେ କରିଛନ୍ତି କି ନ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଟା ଦରକାର ଅଛି ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ଖାଲି ନେଇଆସିଲି ଆଉ ଏନଓସି ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ପିଟିସନର
ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ କରିଦେବା ଆଉ କାହିଁ ଆଉ ଏଆଡେ ସିଆଡେ ଯିବେ କରିଦେବା
ଖାଲି ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଟା ଦେଇଦେବି ସେ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା କଲେ କି ନ କଲେ
ଆପଣ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେବେ
ହଁ ଦେଇଦେବୁ କାରଣ 27/5 ରେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
Okay, Land Constitution, Union of India submit that the petitioner has already been
the land has been repaired.
the land has been repaired.
The land has been
Damage.
repaired by the petitioner.
No,
It
it
must
is.
be 100%.
I have obtained written instruction. The contractor.
I want to file कर दूँगा ना.
Yes.
I was 1 week time to 2 weeks time
Well,
to file a detailed affidavit regarding the
payment of compensation.
payment of compensation and the work undertaken at the pipeline site. Hello. List the matter. 22nd July.
Main में kind of be reflected.
Yeah. So something. Next.
Item 6.
6. 6.
May I please, your lordship. Lord, here the petitioner filed this application for issuance of direction to the opposite parties to pay compensation to the petitioner on account of his late father, on account of custodial debt of his late father, and to register the FIR, my lord.
Custodial death.
Yes, my lord.
Was there any kind of investigation done?
No, my lord. Already I have,
So how do you say that is a custodial death?
my lord, he was admitted he was admitted on a hospital when he was in
He was in custody.
custody, my lord, he was since 9/1/2021, my lord.
9/1/2021.
21.
And he was.
After that, he has got interim bail by this honorable court, my lord.
Hmm?
By this
Interim
honorable,
bail.
yes, my lord, for 3 months, my lord.
For treatment.
No, on account of his wife illness, my lord.
Okay.
After that, he has the rabies has been take place, my lord. In his body, the dog has bitten, and after that, after the completion of
Dog bitten
Custodial death.
no, after that, he surrender, my lord.
Fine, but ଆପଣ ବାହାରକୁ ଆସିଥିବେ ରେବିଜ କାମୁଡ଼ିଲା କୁକୁର କାମୁଡ଼ିଲା ରେବିଜ ଧଇଲା ଆପଣ ପୁଣି ଗଲେ when you died of rabies then how that
State,
can be
how is he
treated as
responsible?
a custodial death sir? ଆପଣ ତ କିଛି ବାଡାବାଡି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି କି ଏମିତି କରି
No, he has already, my lord, he has
କେମିତି ଆପଣ custodial death କରି କହିବେ ଏଟା ତ disease ରେ ମଲା ଜଣା ନା disease ଟା
ରାବିସ୍ ପୁଣି ଆଗରୁ ବାହାରେ କାମୁଡିଛି।
କୁକୁର
my lord.
ବାହାରେ କାମୁଡ଼ିଲା ହେଲା କୁକୁର ବାହାରେ କାମୁଡ଼ିଲା କଷ୍ଟଡି ଭିତରେ କାମୁଡ଼ିଥିଲେ ବି ଅଲଗା କଥା
ଆପଣ
It should have
ଇଞ୍ଜେକ୍ସନ
been-
ବାହାରେ ନେଇଥାନ୍ତେ।
ନା, ବାହାରେ ନେଇଛି, after treat-
is not important death ଯୋଉ କହୁଛି
ହଁ
death ଦେଲା ତ ଆପଣ death ଟା because of that rabies right
rabies and also the police persons have been, my lord, assaulted before that.
କେମିତି assault କଲେ ବୋଲି ଜାଣିଲେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଡି ଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ କି କିଛି ଗୋଟେ
No, my lord.
ଆପଣ ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ପୋଲିସ କେମିତି assault କଲା ବେଳେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି କୋଉଠି assault ର କିଛି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି ନା କିଛି ଆପଣ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ
No,
କରିଥିଲେ
in the postmortem report, it has not been.
ପୋଷ୍ଟମର୍ଟମ କହିଥିଲେ
ନାଇଁ,
assault ରେ ମରିଛି ବୋଲି ଆଉ ବିନା ଇଏରେ ଆପଣ କେମିତି କହିଦେବେ ଯେ ପୋଲିସର କଷ୍ଟଡିଆଲ ଡେଥ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ବୋଲି ପୋଲିସ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ଆପଣ ଡେଥ୍ ଖାଲି କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ଡେଥ୍ ହେଇଛି ନୋ ଡାଉଟ୍
ହୁଁ।
ବଟ୍ ଏଇ ଟାଇପର କିଛି ହେଇଛି କି ଟର୍ଚର ହେଇନି
ନା।
କି ସେ ଭିତରେ ସାପ କାମୁଡିନି କି ଆଉ କିଛି ଏମିତି ହେଇନି
ନା।
କେମିତି ଆପଣ
They have
କଷ୍ଟଡି
not taken the, my lord, proper treatment, my lord, actually. The petitioner father.
ପ୍ରପର ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତିନି ଆଇ ନୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ବଟ୍
ରାବିସ୍ ହେଲିଛି ରାବିସ୍ ପରେ ହି ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ
ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାଇଡକୁ ଏବେ ଆଇଲା
ହୁଁ।
ଜଣକୁ ରେବିଜ ହେଇଛି ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ବେଳେ କଣ ପ୍ରିକସନ ନେଇଥିଲେ ତା ପାଇଁ କଣ ଇଞ୍ଜେକ୍ସନ ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା କରିଥିଲେ
ତାକୁ he should have given an intimation to us that ରାବିସ୍ ହେଇଛି କୋଉ ଦିନ ହେଲା ତାପରେ ସେ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ କୁ
ଆପଣ
ପଠେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଦେଇଥିଲେ
Yes, my lord. I have
ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ରେ
already-
ମରିଛି
ଟିକେ ଟିକେ କଣ ଦେଖିଲେ
Under in the RTI information, my lord.
ଆପଣ ଆପଣ କଣ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଲେଖିକିରି କି ମତେ ଏମିତି ରେବିଜ ହେଇଛି କଣ କୁକୁର କାମୁଡିଛି
Oh, yes,
ଲେଖିକି?
intimated.
କୋଉଠି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
No, ସେ ଭିତରେ ତ କିଛି ଲେଖିଦେଇଛି।
ଅଥରିଟିକୁ ଦେବେନି ଆପଣ ଇଏ ଥିବ
ଜାଣିବୁ
ଥାନା ବାଲା ସରି ଯୋଉ ଜେଲରକୁ
ଜେଲର ନଦେଲେ ଜାଣିବୁ କେମିତି
ଆପଣ ହେଇଦେଲେ ଜାଣିବେ ନହେଲେ ଜେଲର ଅଥରିଟି ଜାଣିବେ କେମିତି
Yes, first of all, taken, my lord, to the hospital of
କୋଉ ଜାଗା ଏଟା ଫୁଲବାଣୀ
yes, my lord, Gochhopada. You are in, yes, my lord, jailer district jail, Fulbani, my lord. Under the IAC Gochhopada police station.
କଷ୍ଟଡିଆଲ ଡେଥ୍ ବୋଲି କେମିତି ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କିଛି କିଛି ତ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ବିନା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଖାଲି କଷ୍ଟଡିଆଲ ଡେଥ୍ କହିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ କଣ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ହାଉ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ କଷ୍ଟଡିଆଲ ଡେଥ୍
And all the outdoor tickets have.
କଷ୍ଟଡିଆଲ ଡେଥ୍ ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ଅଥରିଟି ପୋଲିସ କୁ ଏସପି କୁ କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଚିଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମେମ୍ବର କିଏ ଦେଇଥିଲା
No, family members on the same day on the death, when the date has been occurred on 18/7/2023, has given a complaint, my lord, before the IAC Gochhopada, my lord. They have not registered the FIR, my lord, which is at under Annex 2, my lord.
କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ଆପଣ କଣ ବୋଲି ଦେଇଥିଲେ
They'd like to cause investigation of the case, my lord. After that, all the medical documents through RTI I have collected, my lord, which is the Annexure 4 series, my lord. Is not 36 to running case.
Let's go on. The petitioner 6 for a direction to the opposite parties to pay compensation to him. What is the relation of this petitioner with the deceased?
My lord, son, my lord,
His son.
son.
Uh,
And there are two
substitute the
powerful
petitioner
opposite parties, my lord.
because of the death of his late father, who was in custody during the
Nine,
uh, the- the- during which the death occurred. The opposite party sorry, I would like, the petitioner has also lodged an FIR under Annexure 1,
under Annexure 2, my lord.
Annexure 2
Yes, my lord.
regarding such incidents. However, the well, a complaint. However, this has not been registered as FIR. The grievance of the petitioner is that the jail authority had given sufficient mental torture inside the jail premises, and due to such torture, he sustained continuous illness. He was also denied proper medical facilities in the custody. Lord Constable, the state for the submit that since the petitioner was enlarged on an interim bail, and during the course of such bail, he was bitten by a dog, which caused rabies. However, the petitioner did not intimate such incident to the jail authorities. And the jail authorities had no occasion to know about such rabies. No occasion to know about the petitioner was affected by rabies. Hence, the death of the petitioner cannot be ascertained that it was due to the custodial death, due to torture, or due to rabies. In such being the matter, let the Superintendent of Police, Kandhamal, cause a detailed inquiry regarding the death.
Custodial death case, normally magistrate are inquiring.
Yes.
I think in this case, magistrate.
Magistrate Karchi,
What Karchi?
Karchi.
First time হচ্ছে
Judicial magistrate must have inquired. As per the procedure.
About
Yes, my lord, in presence of the page number 56, my lord. Held inquest over the dead body of the deceased in presence of
inquest नहीं भाई ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ allegation ଲଗାନ୍ତି ଏଟା it is done by judicial magistrate. Anyway, let him make first hand information ଆସୁ ତାପରେ we'll see that.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Let the information come. Okay. And the Superintendent of Police to conclude the investigation in an unbiased manner. Allah. And file the investigation report in a sealed cover by 1 month time. 18. 25th July. Is the matter on 25th July. Let him get the first information. And nothing has been clearly written in your.
କେବେକୁ ରଖିଲେ
25th July.
25th July.
Hala? 25th.
Obligation.
Okay. Next.
Item
Free
7.
copy, free copy, to the state.
free copy दे दो.
Next.
Item 7, my lord, kindly 1 week after.
Yes, madam.
1 week after.
1 week after कौन matter टा? ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ପଚାରୁଛି କହୁଛି ଏଥିରେ ରହିଲି ଏଇଟା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଆସିଛି ନା
Yes.
what is the matter?
Illegal attempt of election without
Hmm?
preparing valid voter list or statutory provision. Orissa Agricultural Produce.
I know
Market
that.
Act and-
Voter list, your name hasn't been out. Okay, issue notice first कर दो कहीं time नहीं भी issue notice to the opposite party department करो
हमने अल्प को पाया.
OP 213.
OP number
213.
2 collector Sundar
213.
2 and 3 okay 2 and 3 not 4 4 भी तो रहो 2
Yes.
3 4 5 2 3 4 5
4 5 को समान नहीं हमें स्टेट 1 2 3.
1 2 3 4 5 समझ तो कॉपी दे देना
Okay.
1 2 3 और
हमें ना वो
4 5 6 by
register
registration post list the matter on July 10th
Okay.
July 10th next अपना नाम टा कौन
Pratima Das.
प्रतिमा दास checking for the next
Item number 9.
9
The petitioner is a bank employee. From his retirement, from the original
8 टा my lord.
Withdraw.
withdraw correct
from the PF fund, they have deducted 1,44,888 in the year of 2000, my lord. The case came to finality and the bank has been directed to pay back the entire amount with interest. But the interest they have calculated from 2005, basing on the order at page 6, that because the case could not be finalized on that day, the court directed the amount to be kept in a fixed deposit on that day, in 2005.
so your grievance is what
entitled to
your
the
grievance is
interest-
the interest portion
My lord, I am entitled to interest right from the day when they had kept it withdrawn,
so from which date
2000. 22 9 2000,
22 now 2000
22 9 2000.
so it is the petitioner is challenging irrational payment of withheld provident fund amount what do you mean by withheld provident fund amount
Because my brother had taken a loan from the bank, CU loan.
brother had taken
My brother, younger brother had taken a loan from the bank.
you are the bank employee
I am a bank employee.
okay
I was neither the introducer of my brother, nor I had done any processing in the paper, nor I was the guarantor.
guarantor nothing
Therefore, they could not have withdrawn.
that's true
I have
ଘରର କେଉଁ ମେମ୍ବର ଆସିକି ସବୁ ସେ ଭିତରେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କାମ କଲା ବୋଲି ତାର ସବୁ ଉଠେଇ ନେବେ wrong ନା
This is the fourth round of litigation.
ନାଇଁ 4 6
Yes,
କଥା
yes,
ନୁହେଁ I'm telling something
Yes.
something
My lord.
very commonsensical point
The bank has given interest, but he is claiming that from 2000 to 2004, because the bank has given interest from 2005 till the actual payment is made.
but
And
what about from 2000 to 2005
Yes, and as per direction of this honorable court only.
Hmm.
That is why I have received copy. I shall file my lord reply.
so what is the direction of this court
Direction was, my lord, simply to consider the representation.
that is not a direction
Yes,
sir
yes,
This is
there.
neither here nor
And,
there
and earlier, in the year 2006, another request was filed.
again same thing
ନାଇଁ,
ସେଇ
ସେଥିରେ-
same
ନାଇଁ,
ସେଇ
ସେଥିରେ-
same ଗପ
ନାଇଁ, ସେଥିରେ ହେଇଥିଲା ଯେ 2005 ରୁ ତାକୁ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ in fixed deposit account. That is why,
No.
as per lordship's directions, the bank has paid the interest from 2005. But however, I have received the copy just now. I shall file my reply. What's the filing?
May I take
Give
your
some time.
lordship to the judgment?
so this is annexure 2
Which one, my lord? And
judgment is annexure 2
judgment is page 6, my lord. The directorial portion is at page 6 of the petition.
you copied that portion
It starts from page 4 to page 6. Page 6 is the director.
This is UCO Bank, which branch?
UCO Bank Sambalpur.
Sambalpur.
The amount which has been deducted from the provident fund account of the petitioner be kept in the separate account bearing separate interest bearing account from tomorrow. And the same, my lord, but the case was not finalized. That is how it was not disbursed to me. That is how.
I understand
because
that.
it
No, no.
could not be finalized.
As per the order of this,
Honorable court.
this court, this is from 2005. That in
Order is dated
if it is
2005.
it can be in the interest bearing account from 2005. It can't be 2000.
My lord, but it does it appeal to the sense of justice, my lord? When the amount is withheld from a particular date and the court is adjudicating it.
But at
the
that
amount
time,
has to
at
be
that
kept-
time, that this matter should this issue should have been raised. So that the court could have passed 2005. The court had passed something. Now how can I go
The
again
amount has
back
to be
to
kept in
2000?
fixed deposit. That was the order. It is not particularly that you keep it from today and other part he will not be entitled to interest.
No.
There is no reason why I should not be entitled to interest from the earlier part.
You file it.
That has not been adjudicated.
Let him file.
earlier.
Let him file. Okay. Land consider the bank. 2 weeks time to file the reply. This is the matter on 18th July. In Rejoinder in the meantime.
Well,
Land consider the petition.
If I get the counter, I will file.
File within 2 weeks so that you will get 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder.
Month.
Okay. 2 weeks and rejoinder 2 weeks thereafter. Rejoinder if any to be filed. Rejoinder if any to be filed 2 weeks thereafter. This is the matter on 18th July. Next.
Item 11.
11. 11.
Due to installation of mixed concrete mixture plant, the cement dust is spreading in the air and the pollution is creating pollution. And there is a petition made representation before the opposition 6.
What happened, sir? Tell me from the beginning.
Aଜ୍ଞା opposition 7 କଣ କରିଛି?
What happened from the beginning? From the beginning. Tell me
Beginning-
from the beginning. What happened?
Opposite party 7 ଗୋଟେ concrete mixture plant install କରିଛି ଯୋଉ
Who is that opposite party 7?
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ସେ private party ଗୋଟେ
Private party. What is he doing?
ସେ ଯୋଉ cement dust ଟା ମାନେ air ରେ spread କରିକି pollution କରିକି ନା
What is the plan about?
plant concrete mixture plant ଟା ଯୋଉ ସେଥିରେ ସବୁ building ଯୋଉ concrete ଯୋଉ ଛାତ ଯୋଉ roof casting ହୁଏ casting ହୁଏ ସେ mixture plant mixture ଟା ବନାଯାଏ।
That is the site of the construction.
ନାଇଁ side of the construction ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ plant ଆଜିକାଲି plant mixture plant ଟା ହଉଛି ସବୁବେଳେ ହଉଛି।
Mixture
I
plant.
have annexed a photo
ସେଠୁ mix କରିକି ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତି।
ତାର ଢାଳି ଦିଅନ୍ତି।
ଆପଣ କେମିତି affected ହେଲେ?
ଆଉ ମୋ ସାଇଡ୍ ରେ ମୋ ଘରଟା ଅଛି
କେତେ distance ରେ?
distance ଟା ହବ maximum 200 ଫୁଟ ଭିତରେ ହବ।
200 feet.
Hmm.
What is the pollution control board directives on that issue? କେତେ
ସେ
ଦୂର
consent
ହବା
ସେ consent ଆଣି କରିବା କଥା actually he has to obtain the consent from the pollution board
ଆଣିନି
ଆଣିନି
consent ଦରକାର।
କିଛି ଆଣିନି କୋର୍ଟ ପରମିଶନ ନାହିଁ ଆମେ କଲେକ୍ଟର ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛୁ ଟୁ ଅଲ୍ କନସର୍ନ ଗିଭେନ୍।
My lord, pollution control board, they have their panel, and his my list is prayer. Prayer, he asks for redressal of his grievance only. My lord may see his prayer.
Forget the prayer where ଏତେ technicality କାହିଁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଠି problem solve କରିଦେବା ଗଲା ପ୍ରତି
ସେଇଟା ତ
ଆଉ
ଠିକ,
prayer
prayer-
ଭୁଲ ବି ଲେଖିଥାଉ କଣଟା ହେଇଗଲା
ନୋଟିସ୍ ଦେବ
ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ affected ଅଛି
pollution control କୁ notice କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କଣ।
matter should be solved ଆଉ prayer ଚକ୍କରରେ ସେ ଯିବ ପୁଣି ଯିବ ଆଉ ଫେର ଆସିବ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଘୁରୁଥିବ problem solve ହେଇଗଲା ଗଲା
ଓକିଲଟା ଲେଖିବ ପ୍ରେୟାର ଟା ଠିକ ଲେଖିବନି ଆପଣ
ଓକିଲ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଲେଖିନି ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା ଓକିଲ ତ ଏମିତି
ତାକୁ କହିଦେବେ ନା ଟିକେ ଆମେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦବ କହିଲେ ଆର୍ଥର ହବନି ନହେଲେ ତ ହବ ସେଇ ପ୍ରେୟାର ଆଉ ଥରେ
ନୋଟିସ୍
କଣ ପ୍ରେୟାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ?
ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି member for state pollution to take appropriate decision upon the grievance made by the petitioner under annex 3.
ଆପଣ କେବେ ଦେଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ representation
19/4 ଦେଇଛୁ 18/4
ସାର୍ ଏମିତି ମତେ ପୁରା ଏଇ ଡେଟ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କହିବେ
clear
19/4 30/4 ମତେ କହିବେ
19/4
ପୁରା ଇୟର ବି କହିବେ
13/4/2024 ଦେଇଛୁ
ଆଉ କହିବେ ପୁରା ନା
ତାପରେ
19/4 ମାନେ
19/4
କଣ ଏଟା ଗାଁରେ କଥା ହେଲା ଭଳିଆ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି 19/4 22/4
page 24
19/4 2023 କି 24 ପୁରା
ନା
clear କହିବେ
13/4/2024 ଦେଇଛୁ
24 ରେ
ବାଇ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଏଠି
ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି ସାର୍ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଦେଖିଲେ
ସେ ପଛପଟେ ଅଛି
କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିଲେ ପେଜ
ପେଜ 28 ଅଛି
24 20 ଅଛି ବୋଧେ
ସେ
28 ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
29
Let notice go.
29 ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
Like, issue notice to the opposite party.
6 and 7.
6, 7. Pollution control board kete?
6 again.
6, 7 ସେମାନେ ହିଁ main opposite party.
6, 7. Mainly pollution control board.
ହୁଁ
6, 7. Hela 6 and 7. 6. Edi Mr. Misra
ହଁ।
କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ତାକୁ ଦେଇ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି copy?
ସେମାନେ notice ରେ ସେମାନେ
ଶାନ୍ତି ଭୂଷଣ ଶାନ୍ତି ମିଶ୍ର
notice ଟା କଲେ ସେମାନେ engage କରିବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ନା।
ଆପଣ ଦେଲେ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି?
ଶାନ୍ତି
କହୁଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
ଶାନ୍ତି
ଦେଇ
ଭୂଷଣ
ଦଉଛନ୍ତି।
ତାଙ୍କୁ ପାଇବୁ କୋଉଠି?
ଶାନ୍ତି ଭୂଷଣ ମହାନ୍ତି
ପାଇବେନି ଗୋଟେ
ଓକିଲକୁ ପାଇବେନି।
ଗାଁ ଗୋଟେ କଟକ ତ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁ
ବଡ
ସେଥିରେ
ଦେଇଦେବେ,
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
ପାଇବେ।
ଛୋଟ ଗାଁ
ଆପଣ ବାହାର ଅଛି ନା ବାହାର ଦେବେ ମୁଁ କଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ
ପାଇବେ।
ବାହାରୁ ମିଳିବ।
ଆଲେ notice
ସହଜ ବାତ ନା କୋର୍ସ ପଢିଦେଲା ଗଲା ମୁଁ ରହିଲି ଏଠି ଦେଇଦେଲା ଆଉ ଜଲ୍ଦି କାମ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତାନି।
notice ଟା ଦେଇଦବା
ନିଅ
ତମର କପି ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଯିବ।
ନେଇଯିବୁ ନବୁ ନେଇଯିବୁ।
Our copy is
ଦେଲା
Lord Constable, the petitioner shall serve a copy on the
Counsel for
on Mr. Prashant
ଶାନ୍ତି ଭୂଷଣ
Shanti Bhushan Mishra,
ଶାନ୍ତି
Mr. Santi Mahanti
Shanti-
or Sushant Mishra,
ହଁ,
who is usually appear on behalf of the State Pollution Control Board. And a copy may be served to OP number 7 by registered post. List the matter on 11 July.
18 ରଖନ୍ତୁ
11 July.
18 ରଖନ୍ତୁ 18 July।
ଆପଣ ଜଲ୍ଦି ସରି ଚାହୁଁ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୋର ଟିକେ ମୋର କିଛି ପର୍ସନାଲ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟି ଯୋଉ ରହିବି ପ୍ରାୟ।
ହଉ 18 କରିଦିଅ। ହଉ ଭାଇ ଠିକ। ନେକ୍ସଟ କୋଉଠି ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ ଟା କୋଉଠି
ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ
ଥିଲା?
My
କୋର୍ଟ
my
ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ
friend somehow when picking a word and saying something.
No, no, I am seeing the first
That
title of
is your
it.
mistake. That is your
ट्रांजैक्शन
mistake.
कोड इतना
That is your mistake by saying
anyway just
the
answer my
account
question.
at
Where is the account
at Delhi branch.
account at Delhi?
The Odisha Cyber Police. The
Hold
okay. Account at Delhi.
Okay, account at Delhi.
Delhi.
So the transaction was in
Transaction, a complaint made before the Odisha Cyber Cell, crime cell, that from the complainant informant's account, around 54 lakhs amount has been transferred to different accounts. Out of that, 1 lakh.
sir ଟିକେ ଅଟକିବେ ମୋର ଆନ୍ସର ମୋର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ସରିନି
Again,
ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲି କଣ
again.
ଏଇ ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଯୋଉ ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ ଟା ହେଲା କୋଉଠି ହେଲା
Odisha.
ଓଡିଶାରେ ହେଲା
Odisha. Complaint Odisha. On
ମୁଁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ କଥା ପଚାରିଲି ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ
Odisha.
କୋଉ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି
ମୋ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ଅଛି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ଓଡିଶାର ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଟା ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କୁ ଥ୍ରୁ ଅନଲାଇନ ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ ହେଇଛି
ଓଡିଶାରେ
ର ଇନଫରମେଣ୍ଟ ର ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ରୁ ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ ହେଇଛି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ
ଓଡିଶା ଲୋକ କରିଛି
ଓଡିଶା ଲୋକ କରିଛି ଆଟ ଓଡିଶାରେ ସାଇବର
ଏଇ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଗୁଡାକ ତ କୌଣସି ଜାଗାରେ ଆଜି ଏମିତି କିଛି ଆଜିକାଲି ଇଏ ଏଇ ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ରେ
ତାପରେ ଓଡିଶାର ସାଇବର ସେଲ କ୍ରାଇମ ସେଲ ର डायरेक्शन में मो अकाउंट दिल्ली अकाउंट टा फ्रीज है तो प्योरली विद इन द जुरिडिक्शन ऑफ दिस हाई कोर्ट दैट पार्ट ऑफ माय
इशू नोटिस टू ओपी नंबर 1 2 3
ଆମକୁ କଣ କରେ ସବୁ ତ 2 ରୁ
स्टेट ର କିଛି ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ
କିଛି ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ
ଆପଣ
साइबर क्राइम रो
स्टेट ର ଆପଣ
ସାଇବର କ୍ରାଇମ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ସାଇବର କ୍ରାଇମ ପାର୍ଟି କରୁଛନ୍ତି
अपन
ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ସାଇବର କ୍ରାଇମ ରିପୋର୍ଟିଂ ପୋର୍ଟାଲ
2 3 4 5
आगे
2 3 4 5
2 3 4 5 बाय रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट साइबर क्राइम न्यू दिल्ली को करे सर कोऑर्डिनेशन सेंटर अछि यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया को देबे कॉपी
आगे
सो एनीवे 2 3 4 5 बाय रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट
इंटरव्यू एप्लीकेशन में भी लाइव होता
किसी तो करीबी लाइवर कोड है नॉट टच इट
आगे
लगा दी petitioner list the matter on 30th July.
probably
Next.
Item 13.
14th July
Ticket deadline time there because
30th
बाहर
3
case ना ticket time अधिक दरकार. Next
13.
13.
May I please, ma'am? May I please, your lordship?
Agro Chem Federation of India.
Ma'am, my lord, the banning of 2 products are the insecticides, my lord. It produces insecticide supplies and 2 insecticides, that is paraquat and glyphosate. These are being used since last 40 years. Now, my lord, under Annexure 1,
This is for what? Insecticide for what?
agricultural purpose.
Oh, I mean, applicable for rice or vegetable or what?
Now, my lord, it is used in the agricultural plant that is in
Sir,
Japan.
agriculture ର ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଭିତରକୁ ଯାଉଛି କୋଉଥିପାଇଁ ୟୁଜ ହୁଏ ଏଟା?
My lord, in fact, that documentation has not come from.
I am asking because I was doing the endosulfan case, you know, in
I
Kerala.
understand, my lord.
So therefore,
That
I
was
have some
banned.
interest in this thing.
My lord, that was
So
banned.
we
My
have been doing it in
My
Supreme
lord.
Court. For
Here, what they did, under Section 27 of the Act, that provides 6 months, it's a 60 days, if necessary, another 60 days pending investigation and inquiry and finding.
No, what is the grievance here?
Se grievance ହେଲା ସେ ଏଇ ଦିଟା product କୁ ଆଗ prohibit କରିଦେଲେ under Annexure 1 for 60 days. କଲା ପରେ
Government prohibited.
yes, ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ
Government
regret-
prohibited for what?
prohibited saying that on receipt of reports from various sources on the adverse effect of the pesticide. Now, এই ଯୋଉ adverse effect of 27 କହୁଛି
You
inquiry.
have read endosulfan case? ପଢିଛନ୍ତି ତା judgment ପଢିଛନ୍ତି?
My lord, very honestly, my lord, I have not
କିଛି order
recently gone through that. I am
police-
aware of that judgment.
ପଢିକି ଟିକେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ endosulfan
ଏଠିକାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ରିଭାନ୍ସ ହେଲା ଆମେ ଆନେକ୍ସ 2 ରେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଲୁ
ହୁଁ।
ଦେଇକି ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ 27 ଅନୁସାରେ କହୁଛି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିବ ଆମେ କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ୱିଲ୍ ଆସିଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ୟାନ୍ ହେଇପାରେ ସେମାନେ ପୁରା କନଫର୍ମ କରିପାରନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ କଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ବ୍ୟାନ୍ ହଟେଇବା ପାଇଁ?
ନାଇଁ ଆମେ ହଟେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ଆମେ ଦେଇ କହିଲୁ ଆପଣ କଣ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ୱିଲ୍ ଆସିଷ୍ଟ whether it will be banned or not. ସେମାନେ କଣ କଲେ ଆଉ ଆମ ଆନେକ୍ସ 2 ଟାକୁ କିଛି କନସିଡର ନ କରି ଆନେକ୍ସ 3 ରେ another 60 days କରିଦେଲେ that is also again fine because pending
This is by
investigation
state of Odisha.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେମାନେ
କିଏ ଅଥରିଟି କିଏ?
ସାର୍ ଅଥରିଟି ପାର୍ଟି କରିଛି ସମସ୍ତେ ସେମାନେ ହେଲେ ୟୁନିୟନ ମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ପାର୍ଟି କରିଛି କାରଣ ୟୁନିୟନ ମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି କିଛି ବ୍ୟାନ୍ କରୁନି ଏଟାକୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫାର୍ମର୍ସ ଏନଭାୟରନମେଣ୍ଟ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର 2 then opposite party number 4 they are the state agencies and central agencies are there ସେମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ କଲେ ଆଉ ବ୍ୟାନ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ନ କରିକି ଲାଇସେନ୍ସ ରୁ ସେ ଦିଟାକୁ ପେଷ୍ଟିସାଇଡ୍ କୁ ଡିଲିଟ୍ କରିଦେଲେ
No
27
license can be granted on these two pesticides.
yes ସେମାନେ ସେମିତି ବି ଲେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି କିଛି ଅର୍ଡରରେ ଖାଲି ଲାଇସେନ୍ସ ରୁ ଡିଲିଟ୍
କିଛି ତ
କରିଦେଲେ
ପାଇଥିବେ ନା
so everything is opaque
ବ୍ୟାନ୍ ଯୋଉ କଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
on the basis there must be some report.
ସେଇଟାକୁ ଆମକୁ ଜଣେଇବେ
export
ଆମେ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ
report.
କରୁଛୁ ସେଇଟା ବି କିଛି ନାହିଁ so unless your lordship call upon
state government କରୁଛି.
state government
Learned consider the petitioner submit that the
ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବ୍ୟାନ୍ କରିଛି ୟୁନିୟନ ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ କିଛି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆମର
Department of Agriculture and Farmers Empowerment has banned the sale and stock distribution, manufacturing and use of paraquat and glyphosate in the state of Odisha based on some feedback/reports received from some sources, which is not clearly made known to the present petition. He further submits that because of the adverse effect on the health of the because of the use of such pesticide has insecticide has some adverse effect on human health, which has resulted in the withdrawal of license for selling the said pesticide. Though the said pesticide was in use for the last 40 years and has been authoritatively prescribed by the Central Regulatory Authority. However, because of some standard incident or maybe because of some expert perception, the said pesticide has been withdrawn from the market, the license for the said pesticide. License for selling, distribution has been withdrawn. The petitioner further submits that the petitioner is unaware about the adverse effect on human health, human or animal health. And the feedback or report on which such ban has been initiated. In such view of the matter, let the notice be issued to OP number 1, 2, 3, 4. Learned counsel for the petitioner to serve a copy on Mr. Mr. Panigrahi. Learned DG. You are agree?
Yes.
Mr.
Course of the day.
1
I'm opposite party.
and 2 of Mr. Mahapatra appears on behalf of 2 and
4.
4.
1 and 3, my land senior Mr. Swine.
1 and 3,
Right.
Mr. Swine appears on behalf of 1. List the matter on 30th July. Let them file the reply.
मतलब
We'll make
ଗୋଟେ
it-
କପି ଗୋଟେ ଦେବେ
Course of the day, Didi said copy ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି।
ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କପି ବି ଦେଇଦେବେ
Didi said-
ନା ସେ କଥା କହୁଛି।
Sub,
ଏଇଟା, will your lordship make it 1 month?
1 month because of this thing, because this will take time.
ଆଜିଲ।
दिल्ली वाला ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି take time ନେବେ। ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ,
ବି ତ
ସେମାନେ ଆମକୁ ଅପୋଜ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଆପଣ ବି ତ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀର ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ବି ତ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀର
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଟାଇମ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ କମେଇ ଦିଅ ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି let it 24th 24th
Grateful.
ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଫ ଦ କପି ଗୋଟେ
you can take
ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଆଇଏଟାରେ ବି ସେଇ ନୋଟିସ ଯାଉଟେ ନା
IRA notice
unless your
ଯାଉ।
lordship
No,
decides
unless
ନୋଟିସ ହେଇଥିଲା
this is not a matter to be
I was just telling my friend
No, no,
that
he was
that
telling.
the interim order
but in the meantime endosulfan case ପଡ଼ିକି ଆସିଥିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ନିଶ୍ଚିତ
all of you
I'm grateful.
endosulfan case
No,
ପଡ଼ିକି
I'm
ଆସିଥିବ
conscious of that matter.
yes endosulfan ପଡ଼ିକି ଯାଇଥିବେ endosulfan related ଯାହା article ବି ପଡ଼ିକି ଯାଇଥିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
have some knowledge on
And
that
with
part.
lordship
ଆପଣ
kind-
କହିଲେ
with your
Endo-
lordship kind permission during our lawyership days I used to read lot of articles written by your lordship also. Right, your
endosulfan I have
lordship
not
pardon me.
written
ଏକାଠି ତ
I
ହେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଆଉ।
have-
I have not written anything on endosulfan
ଏକାଠି
No,
ତ
but,
ହେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ତାଙ୍କ ଟିକେ ଭାଗ୍ୟ
I
ନଥିଲା।
used to receive lot of articles also and
So-
read it.
please do
That was
some
there,
articles
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
on endosulfan
endosulfan.
yes
My-
a case related article on endosulfan
Definitely, madam.
somebody has written a book on that I'm forgetting the name it's agricultural scientist has written a book on the effect of endosulfan on the Kerala farming
I'll find
Something
out
is there.
next date. I'll definitely
I'm
ask
just
you.
forgetting the name of that book and
What-
author of
what-
it.
I'll
But
find
something
out
is there
that.
next
And it is because of your lordship's attitude of researching things, my lord. I have met,
a lawyer has to be researcher
of course
I have,
lawyer because unless you research and assist the court we can't
and you remember those articles written by your lordship
so
on
because
many
the
points.
lawyer the duty of the lawyer to be research next
Obliged.
Item 14.
14
Item number 14 on behalf of Sri Tuna Sahu. Lordship, the petitioner is the Odisha Grammar Bank, Bilepada branch, Keonjhar. And the petitioner is approached by filing this writ petition, being aggrieved with the action of the opposite party number 5 and 6, who have sold out the mortgage property during the subsistence of mortgage to the opposite party
for the
number
bank.
7.
You're for the
Yes,
bank.
yes, my lordship.
where is Mr. Sahu Kaigale Kodagale?
ଇଏ ତାଙ୍କ ଜୁନିୟର ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
I know that but where is he they are
ମେନ୍ ମାଲ ପାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ
ନାଇଁ my lordship, ଟିକେ
ସେଠି
ଦିହ
ଅଧିକା
ଦେଖିବାକୁ-
ମାଲ ମିଳିବନି
ଦିହ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ
ଆରେ।
ଅଛି।
ଟୁନା ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗ
only issue notice yes.
ମାଇଲଡ
Yes, sir. Let me approve the sub-register for cancellation of deed. So that sub-register will follow the procedure, issue notice to other side and we will take a decision. How the read court will cancel us.
What is your grievance
My grievance is cancellation of this sale deed which was.
ରିପୋର୍ଟ କରିବ
My lordship may kindly see this annexure number 6, my lordship, at page 81.
Sub-register approach karibe. Have you approached sub-register?
My lordship, once we had approached, they are refusing, my lordship.
What?
କାହିଁ ସେଇଟା
Where is the
ସେଇଟା କଣ
order?
ମନକୁ କଣ
Where is the order
What is the order?
କୋଉଠି ପାଟିରେ କହିଦେଲେ
My lordship may issue notice.
କାହିଁକି
କାହିଁକି?
ଯଦି
Quorum ଅଛି।
ସବରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ସେଟାକୁ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବ ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ଇସୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ କରିବି
As because my lordship.
କୋଉଠି ମତେ ଏବେ
More
no just now you said they're not
Yes.
accepting
Yes, my
Actually
lordship.
rejecting.
where is that
My lordship, I had personally approached verbally. I asked.
Formally means.
Let me, my lordship, kindly see that page number 81. से जो जोड़ा the letter which has been issued by this IGR. से जो reference टा दिया है my lordship, that is the judgment of the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh, my lordship.
ଆଉ ନା
Oh.
The thing is, our High Court रे भी ଗୋଟେ my lordship judgment ହେଲେ ଭଲ.
କରିବିନି
Well, several these things are happening, my lordship. ବିକି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଜାଗା mortgage ଦଉଛନ୍ତି 2-3 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ବିକି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି.
The procedure has to be followed, no?
ଅଥରିଟି ପାଖକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
You will
ତାପରେ
jump
ସେ
to
ନ
the High Court.
କଲା ତାପରେ ଆସିବେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ସିଧା ପଳେଇ ଆସନ୍ତି ଏକଦମ ଆଖି ବନ୍ଦ କରିକି
No, my lordship, ଗୋଟେ
Sub-register ପାଖରେ ଯଦି
judgment
ଅଛି।
ହେଇଗଲେ ଟିକେ ସୁବିଧା ହୁଅନ୍ତା. My lordship, they are not
ସୁବିଧା-
listening, my lordship. They are not entertaining.
listening
ଆର ପାର୍ଟିଟାକୁ କେମିତି ମିଳିବ?
ଆପଣ କେବେ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କଲେ ଯେ ଶୁଣିଲେନି
I will show
ଆପଣ oral କୁ
that.
ଶୁଣିଲେ
No, my lordship, I will obtain the instruction from the bank and I will show that when they have approached and what is the response of this sub-register.
ଆଣିଲେନି ଲଗେଇଲେନି
ମୁଁ ନିହାତି next date my lordship next date
କାଲି
is
ଆଣ,
100%. Yes.
କାଲି ଆଣ
ପରଦିନ my lordship.
Day after tomorrow.
Day after.
next
Item 15.
Obviously.
लिखिए the petitioner to file the document pertaining to approaching to the sub register and its refusal to accept document engagement. Next.
Item 15.
Petitioner has approached this honorable court due to his claim has not been taken care of by the Star Health Organization. I have hospitalized on 29/11/2021. I have submitted all bills and vouchers. They have not accepted, then go to ombudsman. In ombudsman, they have agreed that the claim to be settled at rupees 1,07,000 They have agreed. Then accordingly, I have also submitted my petition. Thereafter, they have repudiated my claim, saying that within 24 hours, I would not intimate the hospitalization to the Star Health Organization. That's why your claim cannot be entertained.
Okay, the petitioner challenges the inaction of the opposite party Star Health and Allied Insurance Company not reimbursing the expenses incurred amounting to ₹5,19,766 towards the treatment of his wife for cancer in Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. He further submits that the petitioner's policy bearing policy number so and so was valid at the time of the hospitalization, and he further submits that the opposite party insurance company was also ready to settle the amount
Madam,
at rupees
1,07,055.
1,07,055
051.
055
055.
before the 52
055.
055 before the ombudsman. However, they have resigned from their stand
Madam,
at the later stage. Hence, let notice be issued to the opposite party. One Chennai को कहीं जीवो. It is branch कौन तो 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
3 and 4 है ना. Opposite party 3 and 4. Star रखी है फिर कुछ council अच्छा तो Star Insurance ना. ये बोलते कौन Star रखी है फिर.
Star Health.
ये
Mr. Gyanaranjan.
ज्ञानरंजन.
Title Gyanaranjan something. I don't know. Handicap online appear करूँगी.
अच्छा
Right.
साहू some साहू. Anyway, sir, by place the matter on 22nd July. Next,
Item 16.
16.
Please, your lordship. In this case, the petitioner's deceased son, my lord, purchased a vehicle, my lord, Honda Amaze, my lord. and financed by the Indus Bank, my lord. It is under annexure one, my lord, agreement was there, my lord, and the email started from
The
15/11.
petitioner is the father of the deceased.
Petitioner is the
Father of the deceased.
my lord,
Father deceased, who is the owner of the vehicle?
is the owner of the vehicle, my lord.
Honda MH
Honda.
bearing registration number so and so, like,
My lord.
who has challenged the demand notice dated 15/5/2024 issued by the authorized signatory IndusInd Bank Limited, Rasulgarh, Bhubaneswar,
Right.
directing the deceased owner of the vehicle bearing so and so and the petitioner as a guarantor to pay the monthly installment defaulted dues within the period of 7 days or surrender the assets as mentioned
Hmm.
in the later. Failing which, it is further stated that failing which there shall be application of force to repossess the assets. So when did you take the loan?
No, loan was taken, my lord, and it's a 3, my lord,
2010, 2023.
23, my lord,
Then you started paying installment till what time?
from 15/11/23, my lord, and it's a 3, my lord. Your
15/11,
status-
2023. Just মাসে
ହଁ,
ମାସେ
ଦି
pay
ମାସ
କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ଦେଇଛି,
Then he died.
2 ମାସ ଦେଇଛି।
2 ମାସ ଦେଲେ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଦିଆ ହେଲାନି।
ତାପରେ ସେ ଡେଥ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ତାର 13/1/24 ମାଇଲ 1904 ମାଇଲ।
But death ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଯାଇକିରି ପୁଣି settle କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ନା regularize କରିଥାନ୍ତେ।
Thereafter what happened, my lord, he intimated to
Do
the
one
bank.
thing na.
Intimated to the bank, my lord, for
Demand
exemption of-
notice କେତେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Pardon?
Demand notice ରେ କେତେ amount ଦେବାକୁ କହିଥିଲେ?
Demand notice ରେ ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହୁଛନ୍ତି 65,000 ଅଛି ବୋଲି ବାକିଆ 4 ମାସର।
କେତେ?
4 months from starting from January.
Let issue notice to the ଯାଉ ପାશે। ଏଟା କୋଉ IndusInd Bank.
Indus
RC
Bank.
Panigrahi.
Huh?
Mr. Panigrahi.
Mr. RC Panigrahi. Give a copy to Mr. RC Panigrahi. Usually APS for IndusInd Bank. List the matter on 27th June.
Hmm.
Give a copy to Mr. RC Panigrahi.
My
Ramachandra Panigrahi.
lord, entry protection again otherwise.
Sir, alternate protection unless ମୁଁ ନ ଶୁଣିବା ଯେ ମୁଁ ଦେଇପାରିବି।
Vehicle will be repossessed.
ମୁଁ ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁଛି RC ପାଣି ଖୋଜନ୍ତୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଲଗେଇ ଦଉଛି ପରଦିନକୁ 20th ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ପ୍ରଟେକ୍ସନ କଥା ବୁଝିବା June 20th ହେଲା।
Till then, no
Sir,
repossession.
କିଛି ହେବନି ଆପଣ
ନେଇଯିବେ।
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ବି ଆଜି ଶୁଣିବେ।
ମତେ yesterday he asked me, the bank manager.
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ
pay.
କରନ୍ତୁ ନା ତାଙ୍କ ନମ୍ବର ଡିରେକ୍ଟର ଖୋଜନ୍ତୁ RC ପାଣି ନମ୍ବର ସେମିତି ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଇଏ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି
Hmm.
ଆଉ କଲ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ କପିଟା ଦେଇଦେଇକି କାଲି ପରଦିନ ଲଗେଇ ଦଉଛି ହେଲା କିଛି ହେବନି 3 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ କିଛି ହେବନି। ଏତେ ଦିନ ଥିଲେ 3 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ କଣ ସଂସାର ଭାଙ୍ଗିବ।
Day after tomorrow, your lordship.
Day after tomorrow. ଆପଣ କପିଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ
Ma'am.
ହେଲା।
Ma'am.
Next.
Item 17.
In my pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, matter is regarding election of all Orissa Treasury Ministerial Officers Association.
Treasury Ministry.
Ministerial Officers Association. Yes. And the petitioner being the secretary.
Treasury office
Again.
ସବୁ district ଯୋଉ treasury office ଥାଏ ସେଠି
Yes.
ତାଙ୍କର staff ମାନଙ୍କର
Staff Manager Association, the election.
କଣ ହେଲା ସେଥିରେ?
Petitioner being the secretary who has been elected on 11 November 2023 has challenging the order, challenging the letter which was issued by the Department of Finance dated 27/2024 to conclude a new election or selection
What is the period of election?
2 year, 2 ବର୍ଷରେ ଥରେ election.
23 ରେ ହେଲା ନା 23 24 25 ରେ ହେବ।
Again. But
So what is
here-
your grievance?
my grievance is the due to the absence of the outgoing president, a new election was sanctioned and that was duly concluded democratically and the members were
You are the elected president now.
Yes, I'm the elected secretary.
Secretary, sir.
Yes. And after the election, the outgoing president written a letter to the Department of Finance that election was not properly concluded. That's why a new election has to be done. At Annexure 1, Lordship may kindly see page number 14.
Yes.
As per the bylaw, Department of Finance has no role to direct to conduct a new election process.
Who is the authority who conducts that election?
The bylaw of the association is the constitution. As per that,
That is fine. In that bylaw, which authority is going, supposed to supervising authority for election. Then the election commission achi general election pai. A election pai, there must be some authority prescribed in the bylaw that this will look after the election process. Which authority does that?
That is not in the bylaw.
People are good. Have
Department
you
of
gone through
Fin-
the bylaw?
Department of Finance.
Have you gone through the bylaw?
Yeah.
Code is a bylaw dekhele.
Department of Finance notification kale to association ta ko banaya pai. Annexure 2 re.
Madam, bylaw ta koti. Bylaw ta koile sina jana padibo.
Page number 17 to continue hochi.
Page number 17.
Aye.
Okay.
Let's say may come to pay point number 19, unit organization.
19.
9.
Hmm.
The association shall have its district unit, that is each district treasury, and the name of the member of the office
No,
bearer
that
of
is
the
fine. I'm asking you one question. Which authority, your officer is in charge of the election? That is what I'm asking. There must be some impartial body, na?
All Odisha Treasury Ministerial Association is the governing body of that association.
ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ତ କାହାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ପାୱାର ଦେଇଥିବେ ଯେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଦେଖା ସପୋଜ ଫର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ବାର ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ହୁଏ ବାର ଆସୋସିଏସନ ବଟ୍ ସେଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ କରାଯାଏ some 2 or 3 persons are among the senior members.
It's a in the election officer is there.
So who can declare you invalid then?
The election commissioner has power to declare.
Which election commissioner? সেই তো পচারছি ମୁଁ election commissioner কি সেটা?
এটি ଅଛି
কোডি
last page number 26 রে
26
Joshnamai Mahapatra, the election commissioner, and chief election commissioner Pradeep Kumar Das. Yes. And Department of Finance has no role to issue the letter dated
So you are the
secretary. I'm the elected secretary.
secretary of that this organization.
Yes. Let's say may come to page number 26, 25 and 26.
What is your name?
Prahalad Pradhan,
Prahlad Pradhan.
General Secretary.
So what is the problem actually? I have not.
Problem is that the outgoing president has no role to.
So how can outgoing president dislodge you just like that? Se କହିଦେଲା ବୋଲି dislodge ଯିବେ ନା କଣ?
ଏବେ ସେ problem ହଉଛି କି
କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
ସେଇ letter ଯୋଗୁ association perform କରିପାରୁନି and
କୋଉ letter ଯୋଗୁ?
ଏ ଯୋଉ letter ଟା issue କଲେ Department of Finance Annexure 1 ରେ.
Annexure 1.
Page number 14. That last line, Department of Finance for selection of new office bearer and also such biannual conference of dated 11/11/2023 at Bhubaneswar as per the department conference be held. Seitre jo 12th conference meeting रे जो sanction टा बदेला दिया गला कि election हबा पाई सही तापरे election हला तापरे new body perform हला एई letter टा issue हबारो ए letter टा जते बेले outgoing secretary outgoing president approach करले he has no role to approach the authority to conduct a new election process. That's why I'm the petitioner being the secretary wants to pass this order.
This letter is stopping you to work.
Yes.
How?
Because a lordship, according to this order, the body is not functioning.
So,
and if
so you are representing all the people or only for you only?
All people.
So all president, because by virtue of your post as secretary, therefore you have come.
May I submit one thing, Anna?
Yes.
So Lordship, if your Lordship will remember, as per the Society Registration Act, Section 11A, which is the amended rule, my lord.
Correct.
As per Section 11A,
I know that.
this
That's I wanted to understand, fathom her grievance.
If he has any grievance, he has to approach the competent forum, and the competent forum is Civil Court Senior Division, under whose jurisdiction this cause of action arose, my lord. So he has to approach the competent forum, my lord. And in that section, it has clearly mentioned, including all the Section 11A of Orissa Society Registration Act.
Orissa.
Day-to-day affairs, including election matters. All will be decided by the competent forum, my lord.
Yes, resolution of disputes. No. The petitioner, being the secretary of all Odisha Treasury Ministerial Officers Association, challenges the letter dated 27/2/2024 issued by the opposite party number 3 for conducting election of the said association held on 11/11/2023, which is arbitrary and capricious. Stop. The bylaws of the opposite party number 3 has not conferred any authority on the petitioner submitted on the Department of Finance. Who has issued the letter?
Department of Finance.
Department of Finance to interfere in the election or selection of the petitioner's body. Therefore, she has, long as the petitioner submit that, therefore the petitioner has approached this court for redressal of his grievance. Now, on concept of the state, so Mahapatra submits that since this is a dispute with regard to the election of the members of the body, which has been registered under the Society Registration Act 1860, as per the said act, as per section 11A of the said act, the petitioner should approach to the competent senior civil judge, competent jurisdictional senior civil judge for redressal of the grievance. Accordingly, the petitioner should approach the competent authority, the competent court, and the competent court shall deal with the matter. So, 11A को कोट करो, 11A लिखना तो कोट को अपने से करें. Accordingly, this court, since there is an alternative remedy prescribed in the act, this court is not inclined to entertain the present petition.
Lordship, one thing, the learned court below to look after the annexure 1.
I'll not go into all these things. You go the approach, then they will do
Lordship,
that.
that observation.
No, why do? It's not necessary. They are sufficiently wise to look into all these things. So I should not advise them.
Does that right?
Okay, next.
Item 18.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship,
18.
last occasion, state is directed to take instruction in this matter, my lord. And the 6,25,000 pending till date out of total amount of 30 lakhs.
Here, so this honorable court, this honorable court directed on 31st of October 23 to approach the opinion of one state government. He has not approached. Again, he filed this case.
What is this matter?
Regarding victim
Compensation matter.
You approach the authority now. Why are you not going to the district legal service authority? They are the authority to look into Siddha court.
Page number 34, my lord. Approaching this court.
अरे भाई तो आपण एटा कोडी अप्लाई करछथि डिस्ट्रिक्ट लीगल सर्विस रे कोडी अप्लाई करे कोडी
सुंदरगढ़ रे अगेन
काई देखले कोडी लख
फिर आदर नाही 6 लाख
हां सेट तो मेन जिंस देखिबिन कंदी
नहीं माय लॉर्ड 6,75,000 पाई जाईची आ 6 लाख
आई एम नॉट ऑन दैट If you have not received the amount, you approach the district legal service authority, the chairman will look into the matter. No, this is the system. You can't come to court by filing a writ petition just like that. Please go there.
Well, page number 33
Please
and
withdraw
35.
it.
my lord.
Please withdraw it and go there.
Release the compensation in favor of the victim. my
Sir,
lord.
maybe, sir, you go there and you approach that authority now. You can't be, this court can offer for everything, writ court can't. जोटा जे कोर्ट रे अछि सेठी जिबे ना सब हाई कोर्ट इज नॉट सॉल्यूशन टू ऑल प्रॉब्लम आ गुटे कोन पई फाइलिंग the petitioner seeks to withdraw the writ petition in order to approach the appropriate authority accordingly withdrawal is granted disposal. Next set is answered. Next
Item 19.
19.
The petitioner has approved before this honorable court, my lord, for illegal construction of the poultry farm near the residential house of the petitioner.
Sorry, I couldn't get
Poultry farm, my lord.
poultry farm.
Yes, ma'am. As per the guideline at annex, my lord, page 23, my lord. I have annexed that guideline. Pursuant to the order dated 10/12/2021, para 4.6 I have abhorred, page 6. Passed by the honorable
Forget all these honorable chhadan devo issue Congress
Yes, ma'am.
straight come to the point. How honorable court kon gala
At clause 7,
what is the distance from the village?
No, my lord, from my residential house it is 50 meters.
So you are
But
the
as per
complainant.
act-
You are the complainant.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you approached to the appropriate authority?
Yes.
कहाँ को जाती को कोई दिले जाएगी?
Annexed, my lord.
Annexer?
Annexed, my lord, 2 series at page 13. To the collector, so also to the district chief
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘର
veterinary,
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ farm ଟା କେତେ ଦୂର?
50 meter.
50 ମିଟର ମାତ୍ର.
Yes.
How could that
But
50
as per
meter?
guideline, 500 meter it have.
କେତେ ମିଟର ରହିବା କଥା?
500 meter.
500
It
ମିଟର.
has more than 500 and permission of pollution control board is required.
ଏ ରିଭାଇଜ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 500 ଚିକ୍ ବି ଗନ୍ଧିବ 1000 ଚିକ୍ ବି ଗନ୍ଧିବ ଆଉ ଅଧିକ ଗନ୍ଧିବ ଏଟା ଟିକେ କମ ଗନ୍ଧିବ.
That part let me obtain instruction first thing is.
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ
No, no,
କରନ୍ତୁ
second.
ସେ ये जो पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड वाला कहतु आप रिवाइज करंतु ये गाइडलाइन टा दिस इज रॉन्ग गाइडलाइन 500 मीटर माने एते बते पाख गंधिब आप मिनिमम 2-3 किलोमीटर दूर रे गां रो जांतु कारण पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल वाला से गंध होइनी कि सेठी नेकी रोथर कॉपी दीटा दे दे एंड ओपी नंबर 1 एंड ओपी नंबर 5 सब कॉपी ऑन मिस्टर शांति प्रकाश मिश्र महांती केतड़े महांती केतड़े मिश्र कहउछन कोन
शांत मिश्र
अच्छा सुशांत मिश्र शांति ओब्लिक शांति प्रकाश महांती whoever is available है ना सब कॉपी and issue notice to OP number 5 by registered post list the matter on July 4th hala
I have filed an IA for
I for what
stay of construction of the farm.
कौन अछि ना देखि
और ऐसे कर देवे.
कले कले फार्म कंस्ट्रक्शन कले असुविधा का तार लॉस आपन कोन असुविधा होई छी कंस्ट्रक्शन रे आपन कोन असुविधा होई मते कहली
Worker issue construction काम चलछि.
हां
Worker construction चलछि.
ओजे ने कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क ऑर्डर रे माने
ना जो स्कीम रे से पाई पैसा.
स्कीम रे पाइछि ना सेति चिक्स रखिनी तो
ना
तो कंस्ट्रक्शन रे आपन कोन मुड बिंदु छिंदी चिक्स रे गंध तो आसीनी जे गंध आसले देखियो ए माने शिरो नास्ति शिरो पीड़ा
Please, your lordship, Miller. Here, basis of the implication, confessional statement of the co-accused, and no
एप्लीकेशन कोन करतले कि
no recovery from the petitioner, Miller. Six alleged that Miller 2%.
किलो आगे मते कहबे
हजुर 66 किलो
66 किलो ओनली
2% surrender करछि 28/4/2024 रे because
केबे आ रहू
surrender
आउ
करछि
ठीक जाऊ सरेंडर कला कोन दया कला
ना जा possession हजुर सी जाई तो बेल
जाईगिरी क्राइम करिवे सरेंडर करते कोन दया करछि
2% were apprehended at the spot. That is FIR running for 10 Miller.
एबे हम देबिनी एबे रिजेक्ट करछि आपण
Reject काली को co-accused हजुर काली अछि सीधा CDPD है।
सिविल कोर्ट जातु सेठी आगो लिस्ट मैटर ऑन अगस्त 13 है अगस्त 13 नहीं अगस्त 8 भारत छाड़ो आंदोलन अगस्त 8
सारा बस था जुलाई सब
हाँ अगस्त 8 ईयर टा कहबे बोला सेदिन दे
जुलाई
को ईयर रहितला भारत छाड़ो आंदोलन कोन
काली के अछि
कोन अगस्त 8 के ईयर रहितला भारत छाड़ो
काली काली के हजुर काली की अछि को एक्ट रे सीडी संग आ हेबी एंटीसीडेंट अछि
अगस्त 8 रे आसु
काली के अछि आउ जो लोक को एक्ट रो आसंता काली
देबिनी मु एप्रिल मास रे बुगी जिन का देबी लंबा टेन्योर नरटा दिया हेबे
माइलर ग्रांटेड जा पोजीशन थिले ताउ दे दिछन हजुर
आपण को हमर केमति धरले आपण को
दी जण धरा पड़ले मिल रनिंग पे 10
आपण कोन करथले
ଥିଲେ ଗାଡି ପୋଲିସ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅଟକେଇଲା ଗାଡିରୁ ଚମ୍ପଟ
ଧରା ପଡିଲେ
तापर मु सरेंडर कली
मु एबे बेल दोनी एते कम टाइम रे देबे ना नो
काली की ता सारा
तालो डिसमिस कर दोछि
ना
अबे काली कोडी अछि तळ कोड
ना
रे
एट हजुर म पकर अछि आउ गोटे को एक्ट
एका संगे दुइटा
बीएलए पहिले 19 8
ओ काली आस एका संगे दुइटा
ना डिसमिस एंटीसीडेंट थिले हजुर डिसमिस
एंटीसीडेंट थाउ ना
थिले हजुर डिसमिस कर दे
नाही 2 मास तळ हेछि कांगी दे करी
जाको जे अरेस्ट हेतले हजुर तो दे दिजन सेटा बीएलए पहिले आसी
हां देखिया सर कोडा देछि देखि
बीएलए पहिले 75
हां काली देखिया का नेक्स्ट
टुमारो
काली काली हां काली
Item 21. Item 21 and 22 both are arising out of one FIR manner. And the case is under section 20B2C 25
Quantity?
27A manner 525 kg. In this
525 kg
manner
arrested on
arrested 29th April 2024 years.
सब April
Manner.
देबिनी
One accused released on bail, that is Subhash Kirsani, BLAPL 5664 of 2024,
कौन पे
who apprehended at this spot. He was escorting the vehicle. For that-
escorting वाला को दिया
for that reason, your lordship has granted.
escorting करतला
No, they apprehended with the contaminated ganja. May
then I am dismissing
liberty may be given after filing of
withdraw
such,
कर दो
permitted to withdraw.
लाना considered petition 60 with the bail okay so
Both 21, 22.
21 20
Oblige, your lordship.
ठीक next
Item 23.
unconditional withdraw unconditional okay next
May I please?
23
Yes, ma'am. Pray for 1 week time, my lord, to obtain surrender certificate.
you have not surrendered yet
Letter
you have been granted
interim bail.
interim bail
Yes, ma'am.
केबे
6/3/24.
24
Yeah, bail letter. So
बनाती okay केबे करबी
1 week after.
like the 4th July कर
Oblige.
transfer to file the surrender certificate next
Oblige.
Item 24.
24
Petitioner has filed this petition,
against BPCL
my lord. The claim of the petitioner was rejected by the authority, insurance
which
company,
authority
my lord,
insurance company
Bharat
Why?
Petroleum.
why Bharat Petroleum why
There was a
It has been rejected by the insurance company on the ground of delay, man.
केते दिन पर
Delay in intimation, 1.5 ବର୍ଷ.
1.5 year पर जीवे अपन के लिए सर
no, my lord, your lordship may consider during the course of COVID, the grandson of the
during the COVID that happened what is the date
9/2/2020, my lord.
9/2 9/2 तो COVID आसी नथिला
9/2/2020 is the date of
COVID
accident.
started in March not in February
accident occurred on 9/2/2020. 20.
Right.
तो 9/2/2000 immediately आपण मासे भीतर करि पारछन्ते
Died on 4/3/2020.
Yes.
4/3
4/3.
कोनटा 43
4/3 एक्सपायर करा
4/3 रे भी COVID आसी नथिला
नहीं
मतलब UD case
4/3 रे भी COVID आसी नथिला
UD case was not UD case was submitted due to want of document. He could not file the petition within the stipulated time. And subsequently he was intimated, and the petitioner is a remote villager. He was not aware about the
Which district?
in the district of Devgarh, madam.
There we go.
And if more interior. Jhatki Poshi.
Because we consider Mr.
Page 24, there is a
Mr. Solanki.
insurance.
It's not a question, my lord, not considering. My agreement is with Mr. Patnaik's client.
Yeah, I know that, but they have to approach you now.
They have approached me late, so I have rejected it. They have intimated accordingly. So if they want to recover the money, the oil company can always pay. There is no bar to it.
No, if you don't process that, the oil company can't pay, na.
The question is, my lord,
Unless the insurance company process the file.
we are bound by the terms and conditions of the agreement that your lordship is aware of.
That's fine because of the extraordinary situation demands extraordinary response from the authority.
Now the tenor, your lordship would be realized. The police, there is no police report. He has to approach the local court in order to register an FIR. So that is also the time period. Why time period is stipulated, my lord? So that an inquiry can be made about the
I know that.
veracity of the.
I know that, but
One more line.
But since there was a intermittent COVID period, and because of that,
He nowhere says that it was due to COVID and all that we have.
A circular of the insurance authority, my lord, your lordship may turn to page 24. Annexure 5.
Yes.
The last page, last line, last paragraph, my lord.
24.
The insurers are advised to incorporate additional documents in the words in the policy documents, suitably enumerating insurance stand to condone the delay on merits for delayed claims, where the delay is proved to be for reasonable.
In that category, you can take this.
That circular is September 2021. That is again 1.5 years beyond after the date of accident.
Recently, the Apex Court
That's
has
why your
relied on
lordship
this
has
circular.
directed.
You have that?
I'm giving.
That's why your lordship wanted to IRDA to be made a party.
He is very honestly saying, though Indian, the BPCL is paying, still he is so honest.
Ultimately, he has to pay if your lordship declines his
No,
request.
he has to pay, still he is honestly showing something against him, since showing.
No, he is against the insurance. He is showing. But I will show in judgment where these terms cannot be. Anyway, let me have a look at it.
That's fine. But I have told na, sometimes extraordinary situation demands extraordinary response. This is what the case.
Your lordship, that reference takate.
I have only one copy. I have passed on. They have relied this circular, madam. That is my.
Let him approach your thing, and you consider the condoning the delay, and consider the poor
Consider on merit, your lordship may say. No, your lordship may direct. I am to he will approach. The company will say request us. We will consider in accordance with law or whatever circular your lordship is saying.
They have to approach to the company first or to you?
To them, through them.
Through you. Yes. So let them approach the company afresh, and the company shall
represent the case against
the case before the insurance company. Considering the facts and circumstances.
And insurance company has to take a decision over the matter.
Within 3 months or something, 2 months, whatever.
Just let me write something. The
गरम लाଗୁଛି ନାଇଁ एसी ଚାଲୁନି कोर्ट मास्टर एसी ଚାଲୁନି गरम बाहर गरम
Why don't you go to Chief Justice and ask for the exemption of this gown? ଦଳଟେ ଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସବୁ କୋର୍ଟରେ ତ ଖରା ଦିନ ଏକ୍ଜାମ କରାହଉଛି till ଅକ୍ଟୋବରରେ ଛୁଟି ପରେ କରାହୁଏ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଫିଲ୍ଲି ସବୁ ସେୟା ହୁଏ except Supreme Court. Delhi High Court ସେୟା କରନ୍ତି
ନା ଗରମ ଲାଗୁନି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
ମତେ ଜଣା ପଡୁନି କିଛି obviously
that side is cooler, it seems is right over your lordship side.
There is no cooler.
ଅଛି ଯେ ଉପରଟା ଏଇଟା what is
ଆପଣ
this?
ସେଠି ବି ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଚାରିଆଡେ ଅଛି ପୁରା
ଏଇଟା right over your lordship side, that is what I am saying.
No, no, why don't you approach? ଏ ଗୋଟେ କାଇଁ ଖୋଳଟେ ଗଳେ ହଉଛି
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ judicial ମାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି sir.
ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ କେମିତି ମାରୁଛି ଆପଣ ଯିବେ ନା ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଚିଫ୍ ପାଖକୁ ଗଲାବେଳେ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ? Is an old age lady has been covered under the Ujala Yojana scheme and she is residing in a rural area with her family members and has got the gas connection BD consumer number 87717318 on 3/10/2017. He further submits that in the month of March 2020, there was a unfortunate incident happened in the petitioner's house.
Can I interpret, my lord?
The petitioner,
Just a minute. Page 35, your lords may see.
35,
Yes, my lord. Annexed A by 1. In the subject, the policy number is mentioned and date is mentioned. And date of reporting of the claim also is mentioned, my lord. With reference to your
this is
claim.
annexure A,
Yes, madam. A
page
by 1,
29,
page
page
35.
29.
Yes. A
Page
by 1,
29
page 35.
Page 29 tha?
Page 35, my lord. Annexure A by 1.
Like that. Yes, and
The claim, let the insurance company take note of that. and
let me
re-
write the facts. Leakage. And as stated, but the LPG fire accident had occurred on 9/2/2020. Paragraph 4, 35 pages. But an LPG fire accident had occurred on 9/2/2020 due to negligence of the consumer. But without admitting the intimate claim of the petition, the corporation had been intimated the said claim of the petition on the
That is all.
on 13/10/2021, the insurance company, that is opposite number 44 number 4. But the said opposite part number intimated that the 5th January 2022 corporation that the claim of the alleged LPG accident was rejected on the ground of that incident had not covered within the policy period due to inordinate delay in the reporting, which is the petitioner is agreed by the said order. And concept of the petitioner also brought to the notice of this court by a judgment of the Supreme Court. Reported in, that is Ashok Kumar versus New India Assurance Company Limited, reported in 2024, one Supreme Court cases 357, wherein the Supreme Court has held that in some cases like in some cases the insurance company should not be pedantic about the delay. In the present case, since the petitioner is an old lady residing in a remote rural areas of Devgarh district, and there was an intermittent COVID which prevented her to report in time. Hence, the petitioner to, hence this court is of the view that the insurance company should compensate the petitioner against the loss caused. Full stop. In such view of the matter, let the petitioner approach the insurance to the
Amal, we have lodged the complaint already, the claim already. let the insurance company reconsider the
Okay,
said
let,
claim.
in such view of the matter, let the insurance company.
Should I submit your lordship?
Reco-
Once again, let them submit along with
ଆଉ
all
ଥରେ
relevant
ଡବଲ କାହିଁ
documents.
କରିବେ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ତ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି ତାକୁ
3
ଦେଖିବେ
ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ହେଲା ଆଉ ଥରେ ସେମାନେ କରିଦେବେ ଆଉ ଥରେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
along with all the relevant
okay
documents.
the BPCL to resubmit the
Okay, ma'am.
the documents of the present petitioner and the insurance company shall consider the case without being pedantic with respect to the delay aspect and liberally consider the case of the present petitioner considering her status and the remoteness in the location and the intervening COVID period. Hello?
The judgment, may I have a look, your lordship?
এটা অলগা ଟିକେ ଅଛି ସାଇଡ୍ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଡିଲେ କଣ୍ଡୋନ କରାଯାଇ ପାରିବ that's why ଏଟା କମ ଦିନ ଡିଲେ ଅଛି ଏଟା ବେଶୀ ଦିନ ଡିଲେ ଅଛି but consider it
ନାଇଁ consider କରିବେ ବେନମାନ ଜିନିଷ ହିଁ ଦବା କଥା.
yes like the insurance company shall consider the case of the present petitioner within a period of 3 months from the date of resubmission of the
Yes, ma'am.
documents by the BPCL
Yes, ma'am.
BPCL to the company.
And petitioner shall cooperate for submission of the documents.
And the petitioner shall cooperate regarding the submission of any document asked for by the BPCL. Hala? Regarding the dispose of
BPCL and or the insurer.
and the insurance company. Okay. Next.
25.
25.
I may be pardoned, my lord. I'm appearing through VC, my lord. On behalf of Mr. Padi, my lord, may kindly be permitted to withdraw.
Withdraw? Okay. You have given the application
No, my lord.
memo for withdraw. You send
No,
some. I'm allowing you to withdraw, but give a memo also. Huh? Okay, Lord
Mal.
Constable. What is your name?
Umme Adila.
Hmm?
Umme Adila.
I'm not able to follow you.
Umme Adila.
Adila.
My lord.
Umme Adila. Okay. Advocate Umme Adila. Miss Umme Adila seeks to withdraw the writ petition on instruction and okay, this project.
Obliged.
Item 26.
On
6 month extension.
Thank you, Nandi.
Display the paste.
Came again. Acha,
Display the paste.
letter for 27.
Item 27.
Nandi, you are there?
27 on behalf of Mr. UC Mahathi, madam. Last occasion, state has taken time to file an affidavit, short affidavit.
Yeah, file a bill.
1 week time may be granted. I've received the instruction, my lord.
Okay. That comes with the state 1 week time, 10 days time to file the little affidavit. Place the matter on 9th July.
Item 28.
28.
I am appearing for the context of.
If lordship can grant me 1 week time, I'll prepare a short note of argument and then.
You are for the contesting opposite party state.
OTDC, Odisha Tourism Development.
OTDC.
I am the petitioner, my lord. May I permitted to start, my lord?
You want something?
Only 1 week time and.
All the time, my lord,
The brief has been.
taking
the brief-
time, my lord, adjournment.
The brief has been, was initially instructed to let Mr. Manoj Patnaik. And after his untimely death, Lord, I have been engaged, so.
Let him.
Just 1 week time, I'll prepare a short.
A
note and
specific
then-
date, my lord.
Lord, sir.
I'm giving a short date.
My lord.
Place the matter on 25th.
Lots.
25th June. Hello. Next.
Item
Give
30.
a written note.
Yes, my.
Both of you. Both of you.
I remember.
Next.
Item
Short,
30.
very short written
My
note.
lord.
Only 1 to 2 page. Only the basic point. Don't write unnecessary story. Okay.
Madam.
Next.
My lord, I am.
Item 30.
I'm for opposite party.
In 30.
It is indicated.
Who is the petitioner?
But for last 3-4 occasion, he has not come. I can't serve the notice. He has 2 numbers. No one picked up the phone. What shall I do?
Non appears.
None appears. So Lordship, see the
Dekh lo.
Lordship.
Last one was. Part time. खाली time नहीं चल चलिए. Non appears. Non appears for the petitioner. Today also non appears for the petitioner. Non appears on the 5/4/2024. Today non appears. Since the petitioner is not interested, proceeding agreement dismissed for non-process. Next.
But my name may be.
Yes. BM पर. देखो. ये करेगा मोरा. ये हमारे से time नहीं होगा. Next.
Item 31.
31.
Yes, ma'am.
I beg your pardon. Your Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Amrit Mishra, 2 weeks time may be allowed for filing rejoinder.
Which one? 31?
Yes, sir, 31. Item number 31. On behalf of the petitioner.
You are for petitioner.
Yes.
I am for the petitioner.
Perhaps a different number is there. We are for 31. I am for the opposite party number 2
ये
and
कितने अपना कितने number madam?
31, sir.
31.
Yes, sir.
WBC number कर ले?
11412 of 2018.
18 ना 16?
412 no. 402.
11402 madam.
Apologies, sir. It's
कौन
30.
ठीक ठाक कौन दू? 11402. Is it your number or not?
No, sir, it's 11412 of 2018.
Then this is 31 is something else then.
Okay,
Check it
sorry,
properly. Don't just jump into
Sorry,
any
sir.
case you like.
No, she is mentioning
Sorry,
item
sir, apologies,
36, my
sir.
lord.
Then
Item
36 why are you now jumping in 31?
Sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
This kind of jumping is dangerous. Okay,
Sorry,
don't-
sir. I beg your pardon.
Yes.
item 31. I was directed to file an affidavit pertaining to the flow of title on the vehicle, my lord.
31.
31. This item. Ma'am. So since in a matter of 2016, some documents we have been able to
Sir,
collect.
that's a 2016 matter, sir. You should have.
Some documents that executives they have left the company. So we are trying to get the documents only 1 week time, maybe, and because of that vacation, my lord.
You are for the petitioner.
Opposite party number 2 and 3.
Opposite party number 2.
My lord, friend is for the petitioner.
Let him.
I can see the plight of my friend.
Lord counsel for the opposite party. Number 2 and 3.
2 and
10 days time to obtain certain documents which are necessary for the adjudication of the case. Accordingly, 10 days time granted. List the matter on 11 July. Next.
Item 32.
32. 32.
May I please, your Lordship?
You are for
I'm for petitioner.
petition.
Behalf of Mr. P.K. Behra.
Who is for the opposite party?
I am for option 5.
What is the case?
My lord, actually, my senior is facing some health issue. So,
आप करो ना. You are sufficient senior.
actually, my lord, this is about the petitioner was not getting 6 months salary when he was working at there. After that, my lord, there's some issue happened and he has been removed from the position. And again,
What are the posts you are holding?
the homeopathic doctor.
Yeah, homeopathic doctor.
Yes, ma'am.
You are-
No, he was working at
Subject correction.
post
Night
of,
watchman.
Night watchman come
PT.
part-time sweeper.
आप डॉक्टर बना देते हैं मैडम.
My lord, I actually not much known about the matter. Because of my senior has the file with him. I just
You
have
don't have file.
No, my lord. Actually, I have
him the
some
file, though.
papers. Yes, my
Give
lord.
him
Please give.
you have the file 2 PM. Allah
Surely, ma'am.
2:30.
Sure.
2:30.
Yes, ma'am.
File पढ़ी गया इसमें. I will-
Sure.
Okay.
Obliged.
Next.
Item 34.
34. 34. किना थी? कौन देख लो last one कौन थी? It's a 18 matter था कल policy का.
Election time नहीं थी.
Time. Time.
Petitioner time नहीं.
Non appears. List the matter on 24th. Next.
35.
I'm from opposite party number 2, Paradip Protest.
The port.
May please. If the petitioner has filed this application, my lord, with a limited to add that for re-verification of the disability certificate. A post was made. I have also applied for the post. Date was fixed for skill test. I was appeared. I got success. But during verification, my lord, the district headquarters hospital has issued me, the district board has issued me the disability certificate, which itself shows that annexure, have a glance, annexure 3. I am having 40% disability. But the board has make a dispute that the disability 30%, therefore, are not allowed to continue. That we have not been, I have not been appointed in that post. But my humble submission, my lord, to that effort, also, my lord, I would like to draw your lordship's kind attention to the judgment of this honorable court.
Sir, judgment the facts are clear. Judgment
facts, my lord, that disability certificate which is issued by the district board, that is 40%. Now the board has,
suppose there is some doubt by the authority. Can the authority not refer to a board?
No,
and
they have not referred it. They have not referred it. My humble submission.
Then how did they come to know that?
They simply make, no, a board was formed. We have been asked to appear before that board.
Yes.
There they have stated
Medical board.
Medical board. There they have stated I am having 30% disability.
Then the board is it not, the board cannot take.
But that is not the fact, man.
Then what is the fact?
That is not the fact, because
What
I am
is the
having
fact?
completely one eye is completely damaged, and another eye also, I could not able to see properly. If 40% disability certificate issued by the state authority, by the district authority, that has not been disputed by the board itself, my lord, because the judgment of this honorable court also says this. Therefore, my humble submission.
What does this judgment of this court say?
Therefore, my humble submission, let a board be formed.
कौन कहीं से judgment टा देखिबा this honorable court कहि देला कौन कहि देला देखले त ना आबा साले कहि देले हिजो कौन कहि से court कौन is
Para 8 lordship can have one plus it to 1 also. For the post of junior assistant.
Sir, here, see, the question is not the fake, or they're not saying the fake. Suppose, for example, so what is the percentage of disability he has applied at the time of application?
40%.
40%.
But
Later it was found to be less than 40.
less than 40. It was 30%.
So on that basis of the later report, they can reject. What is the problem?
But that
My
is
lord.
not the fact. My humble submission, let a board be formed, because, my lord, I'm having that, so far the disabilities part is concerned, my lord, I'm having completely one eye is completely damaged, and another one eye, my lord.
Sir, how can I say if the board they are comprising of experts, if they
That
say
decision of the
something
board,
that
that
has to be
decision of the
accepted.
board, I'm disputing, my lord. Therefore, I my humble submission, let a inquiry be made, my lord, and the board be formed. If they will find that there is no, I'm having 30% disability, my lord, I've got nothing to speak, there.
My lord, similar matter, in this similar matter, the honorable court has passed for verification by AIMS authority. Kindly direct the petitioner to appear before the director AIMS.
I've got no objection, my lord, let him appear.
Let do this. So considering the dispute regarding the percentage of disability by the district medical board, which district?
Jagatsinghpur.
Jagatsinghpur, and the board constituted by the PPT
My lord.
for the protest. Since it's this is a factual disputed issue, and it is to be decided by experts in ophthalmology. Hence, this court is of the view that in the interest of justice, the petitioner is directed to appear before medical board to be constituted by the director AIMS Bhubaneswar for checking the percentage of visual impairment. Accordingly, Mr. P.K. Paril, director to eligible and fix the date for and list the matter within 1 month. Within 1 month from the date of publication of this order, list the matter on next. Let me know. July 30. July 30.
My lord.
Next.
Item 36.
36. 36.
May I please your lordship? Hello?
36.
Yes, sir.
Who is appearing?
S-
Yes, now now your number is correct.
yes, sir. I'm really sorry for this. Sir,
Okay.
on behalf of Mr. Amrit Mishra, 2 weeks time to file rejoinder.
This is a matter pertaining to the year 2018, madam. Now
Yes,
you are
sir.
filing rejoinder after so many. When was the counter filed?
Sir, I actually only have the instruction to take
When
time
was
to
the
file.
counter filed? Let's see the counter. The counter देख लो कब file है। Counter टा देख लो कब file है।
17
2020
February 20.
2020 में file है ना counter.
Yes, sir.
And you are just seeking time after 4 years. Like the petitioner seeks to file the rejoinder. Rejoinder?
Sir.
Rejoinder after 4 years of filing the counter, which shows that the petitioner is not so serious in pursuing the matter. As a last chance, this court grants 2 weeks time as a last chance to file the rejoinder, subject to payment of rupees 500 rupees to be paid to the library Odisha High Court Bar Association. 500 rupiah.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, give it. Odisha High Court. Huh? Next.
Mobilize, your lordship.
This is the matter on 16th July. Next.
Item 37.
37.
May I please your lordship? I am the petitioner in this case.
37. Yes.
Lordship. I am the petitioner in this case. Lordship.
Please, sir, go on.
Yes, I got instruction.
I am the petitioner in this case, and I am a retired private secretary of the Orissa Secretariat cadre. And
Just
after
a minute,
retirement,
just a minute, sir, just a minute. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, I got instruction for Orissa Human Rights Commission, but that is not sufficient. I have to obtain instruction from law department. As the law department has rejected his claim.
What is the issue?
Here he is claiming 15,000 per month, in lieu of 9,300. He is a retired person, re-engaged. And he was getting 9,300. He is claiming at par with other employees who are getting 1,500 per month. That is the case.
এটা কোন এটা জিনিসটা কোন কোন পোস্ট পাই
Retired করে না সব secretariat staff সব retired করে re-engagement এই 9,300 he was re-engaged.
মানে কনসুলেটেড পে রে the problem কোন হলা?
He is claiming at par with other employees who are getting 15,000. That was rejected by the law department.
Other employees মানে
Other employees who have been re-engaged.
তো other को 15 या को 99 को
সেটা পাই law department rejected his claim. Let me obtain this to law department.
Okay, learn council the state to take instruction from the Department of Law regarding the payment, the compensation made to the petition. List the matter on 15 July. Next.
they have not filed the counter. If they file the
You
counter,
want to
then-
file a counter file. In the meantime, the petition, the opposite party can file the counter if they so wish. Next.
38.
38.
2 weeks after I filed my rejoinder just before vacation. Does not come. My name is also doesn't appear. I have taken instruction.
24th July.
No, week, first week of August.
August. 14th August. Next.
39.
39.
Let's be here is very small point. It can be considered. Let's to have regularization of service.
Your small point always makes big point.
In fact, Lordship, here in by way of counter, though the state government has not filed counter, but they have stated in their counter, the BDO and collector has filed their counter. They have admitted my position. I have since 1998, I am working as Lordship collection Mohoriar. Then I got promoted
Collection?
Mohoriar Lordship in revenue under revenue department.
Under revenue.
Then Lordship I promoted to post of RI. And in the 2003, Lordship I empaneled in the Lordship, the panel is the contractual engineer because I was a degree engineer. Lordship, that's why Lordship I appointed as a contractual junior engineer Lordship. Then after 6 years, as per the service rules Lordship, I regularized since 2009. Now I'm continuous, only I'm claiming Lordship that contractual period Lordship. Because that,
3 to 9.
so that is in against vacant.
Now you are in regular service.
Regular assistant engineer. I'm working as assistant engineer.
Since 2009 you are regular.
Lordship, I'm regular.
So
only so
you worked as a junior engineer
since 2003 Lordship.
2003. Earlier Muri.
Earlier Mohoriar. Then RI.
That part is forgetting.
But I haven't relieved. One point I can advance. Resign Korini. I have relieved from revenue department to this department. So I am not claiming other Lordship. Only
2003 to 9.
My lords, but that was the period he served under contract, your lordship. And moreover, your lordship.
Whenever there is regularization, that period is also given for.
Lords, there are in fact.
You are not asking for any financial benefit.
No.
Only for the purpose of his
regulation.
For service benefit.
Service benefit. Lordship.
He has already been regularized, my lord.
Yes,
No.
609.
What he's saying, he's not asking any the financial benefit.
Lordship.
From 3 to 9, he's not asking anything. Simply saying because of this, if this period is added, he might get more benefit at the time of retirement.
Well, that will,
So
because
that-
if this period is considered, then that will.
There's a service jurisprudence.
Lords,
dictates that.
in fact, Lords, I want to file another counter because there has been a direction to the opposite party number 2, that is the Secretary Panchayati Raj Department, to file a counter as well. Because this counter is not sufficient, Lords. So in fact, there are conflicting judgments on this issue by the Supreme Court itself, my Lords.
Give me that. Those judgments.
Lords, I'll bring all of them.
Recent judgment has been settled. Lordship.
Give me.
Recent
Lords, I'll
judgment.
bring it all in the counter. Lordship may grant me 2 weeks' time, my Lords, to file the counter.
Not consider the state to file a counter and also judgments with respect to the issue involved in the present case. What is the latest judgment you have?
But I have 2017 judgment Lordship, but 2024 judgment also there Lordship. If the service period, if it is against vacant position Lordship, and if it is a regular posting, then Lordship there is no rules to give the promotion. Here is Lordship against vacant position and also with the due procedure of
that. Okay.
only that can.
Both of you give a short note.
Lordship, I will short note.
They will finish on that.
Lordship. Lordship can fix a short date Lordship so that.
Yeah, I'm giving short date only. 2nd July.
2nd July Lordship.
Next.
40.
40.
May I please, your lordship? Here, my lord, the petitioner challenging his order of disengagement, and this is in the second round of litigation. 1%. Wherein, my lord, the earlier occasion, this honorable court has been pleased to pass an order under Annexure 4 that so far this issuance of disengagement is concerned, that is not sustainable in the eye of law, and the same is without following the principle of natural justice. Then the same was quashed and remanded back to the authority. Then, my lord, thereafter they have issued Annexure 7. I am a conductor under the OSRTC. The opposite party is OSRTC. So OSRTC, and my age is now 59. I am at the verge of retirement. And I am out of employment since 2017. On the ground, 17. The order which has been quashed by this honorable court.
What is the allegation against you?
Allegation is it is a surprise checking.
36 passenger traveling inside bus as against
6 ଜଣ shortage ଥିଲେ।
valid tickets.
6 ଜଣ ଥିଲେ ଯାହାର valuation ହଉଛି 1200 କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା। ତାଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ ସେମାନେ କହିଛନ୍ତି 1548 ଟଙ୍କା। That is the only. For that, I am challenged on the ground of disproportionate of punishment. Only that score, I have been disengaged and out of employment.
What do you say? Yeah, for the
Pardon, my lord.
OSRTC.
OSRTC.
Right.
I am
So what is your-
prefer short passover after lunch, my lord.
After lunch.
After lunch.
So you are hungry now?
My lord, Mr. Tippett sir, I will convert.
Okay, let's write it down. After lunch.
Right.
Next.
41.
May I please, your lordship?
41.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
The petitioner has filed this writ petition, my lord, challenging the promotion of the petitioner to the assistant engineer, my lord. Your lordship may see the fact of the case is that the petitioner was officiating as a junior engineer. Page 18, your lordship may see for a moment. May I read my? Sri Ashok Kumar Ratha, diploma in civil engineer, working as draftman, office of the deputy director of fisheries, Sambalpur, who is assigned with the recording measurement in MB and preparation of bills of different works relating to Sonpur district by this office order number ette, is hereby directed to remain in charge of JE within bracket C civil in the office of the AIF and CEO FFDA Sonpur in addition to his own duties with immediate effect, my lord. When thereafter a panel list has been prepared by the Water Resource Department, where the petitioner name took place at the junior engineer to be appointed in the relevant placement. Thereafter, when he has not given appointment as the junior engineer in the fishery department, he approached the tribunal. The Odisha Administrative Tribunal has twice passed the order to observing that he is eligible for junior engineer when his juniors are regularized, my lord. Thereafter, your lordship may see annexure, page 33, annexure 4 series, my lord. A notification has been made. Submitted.
So you have been observed as junior engineer on 17/10/2015.
My lord, 2015.
On regular basis.
With regular basis, 21/1/2008, my lord. Thereafter, it has been modified.
What is your grievance?
Well, now they are not giving me promotion, stating that I have not completed 10 years of service. They have not taken into account the period my juniors are working as JE on contractual basis. They have been regularized after 6 years working as on contractual basis. I am officiating at JE since 2004 in fisheries department, my lord. My name took place in the shortlisted candidates.
So you started working in the year 2004,
my lord.
4 and till
Officiating as the JE, not the draftman, but
okay. But till 15 you were not regular. So in 15 you have been regularized.
yes,
right?
regularized with effect from 21 January 2080, which was subsequently modified. The next page, my lord, 35, with effect from 29/1/2014, the date from which services of his immediate juniors, Lakshminarayan Mishra, were regularized, my lord. They have regularized because they have worked for 6 years as junior engineer. Their service period for 6 years has been counted, but this petitioner's period has not been counted at the time of promotion, though he stood as the serial number 1 in the promotion list.
What is your answer?
Lords, the stand we have taken in the counter is that, Lords, since his date of actual joining is 29/1/2014, your lordship, that is the date when he joined the vacant post of junior engineer civil on a permanent basis, my lords. So the rule 9 of the relevant rules states that they have to work for at least 10 years to be considered for promotion, your lordship. Now, considering the date as 29/1/2014, since he has not completed 10 years of service, we have not considered him for promotion, your lordship. That is the sole ground.
But he's saying that his juniors, immediate juniors have been considered. Similarly placed people.
Lords, I did not find anything on record on that behalf, your lordship.
You have anything?
Yes, ma'am, I have given everything it is on record in this.
Sure. Tell me which page. Which page?
Your lordship may see my order of regularization, my lord. That is page 35. Because it has been stated 14, my junior has after 6 years service, he has regularized on that day in regular establishment. Their period for 6 years has been calculated, but my period has not been calculated. And though the petitioner stood as the serial number 1 for the entire period in serial number 1 of the gradation list, and he has not been allowed to give the professional examination and departmental examination.
Why?
because there is no rule for fisheries department. But juniors have been allowed.
For them, there is a rule.
There is no rule, man. I have given
So
in
page
reason.
35 also, Your Lordship, it states that the other, his contemporary, Your Lordship, that is Lakshminarayan Mishra, he has been also regularized on the very same date, Your Lordship, on 29/1/2014.
I am
Yes,
not
yes.
declining that. But the 6 year service has been counted towards for promotion, but my service
6
has
years or 10 years?
There
6
is
years,
nothing
man.
on record on that regard, my Lord.
6 ବର୍ଷ is for the regularization, but
Ah.
for promotion, how many years?
No, 6 ବର୍ଷ regulation period ଟା ତାଙ୍କର count କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ମୋର count କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି.
But there's nothing on record so far as that my learned seniors content.
No, it is there. It is there. The list has been list. I have annexed that page 38. ସେମାନେ contractual ଥିଲେ, ମୁଁ fisheries ରେ ଥିଲି. Fisheries no such rule is there. And now the
So
rule.
in the fishery, you are also in contractual post, no?
No. I am in regular draftsman, officiating as the JI.
But that officiating here doesn't make any sense. Because maybe some people, the post might be lying vacant, so okay, काम करते रहो.
Vacant posts are there for that reason.
But your cadre is draftsman.
My cadre, initial cadre is draftsman. Thereafter, my name was published by the Water Research Department in the list of JIs.
The JE that
It has been published on
2014, my lord.
21/1/2008.
But what do you want? You want from which date?
From
Draftsman
6 years from 2014, my period should have been.
Engineer केबे हेले आपण draftsman period तक officiating period निया जीवन.
No, निया जीवन. But as per the tribunal's order, they first did what they did. They count it from 2008. Since when they did
on
it,
what basis 2008?
Because they are said they are regularized my service from 2008 because my juniors are regularized on 2008.
Actually, you are regularized in which year?
2014.
14. After 6 years.
After 6 years of contractual service of my juniors.
But you have been regularized as junior engineer.
As junior engineer.
And your draftsman post was also contractual?
No, that is regular post. They have adhered me as a junior engineer after direction of the tribunal man.
Yes.
The rule, my lord, is clear that they have to work for
And now
10 years consecutively
now
as a
rule is
junior
not there,
engineer.
that is 7 years.
You have filed your reply.
Yes, my lord, we have filed. Your lordship may take the rule. They have only annexed the relevant rules, your lordship.
I have annexed.
Lordship may take page 46.
46.
My lords.
Yes. 46.
My lords, rule 9, my lords. Eligibility criteria for promotion. In order to be eligible for promotion to the grade of assistant engineer, a junior engineer must have passed the departmental professional examination under Rule 18 and have completed at least 10 years of service as such.
That is not for
So
us.
on the face of it,
That
he
is
has not
what, that is
completed.
what for Water Research Department. They have stated. They have stated.
Fishery, they don't have this. They have to follow the other.
Yes, because we don't have a cadre rules, my lords. We are
Say
following these.
umbrella type of.
Fishery in their counterpart, they have stated no such rule is there. They are following this rule, but Water Research Department saying that this rule cannot followed by the Fishery Department.
Water research केंदी कहबो? How
Your
good
lordship,
water
your
research
lordship may see, your
is
lordship
there?
may see, your lordship may see the annexure, annexure page 59. When they have denied me to appear in the departmental examination.
Fish lives where? Where does the fish live? In water. Therefore, water resources.
Your lordship may
Therefore,
see.
they are following. What is
59, your lordship may see 59, page 59.
So water is parental organization. Then what? From water fish comes.
Well,
so rightly they have followed the water.
They have followed. They have not followed your lordship may see for a moment what they have stated. Page 59. When I approached to appear in the departmental examination, what they stated. Professional examination, sorry. Last paragraph. In view of above, Sri Ashok Kumar JE under Fishery Department is not eligible to appear the professional examination conducted by EIC Water Research. The proper as per the eligible criteria for promotion for JE 9 Odisha Diploma Engineering Service Method of Recruitment Condition Service Rule 2021 must have passed departmental professional exam under Rule 18. Hence, other engineers organization like EIC Civil, EIC Public Health, etc. are also conducting such examination for their. They are not allowing me, in one hand, they are not allowed me to participate in the professional examination, and in the other hand, they are not giving me the promotion by treating me my joining from the date of my juniors join in this post. And no such reply.
But Annexure 10 has not been challenged, my lord.
Give me.
No, that is why I am challenged. That is in my favor.
Both of you give me notes.
I will notes. Within 2 days I will notes it prepared.
That's wrong. ठीक है Monday दे दे 24th को दे दे.
My apply.
Unless the matter on 24th for giving note of submission.
Apply.
Both of you.
My lords.
Next.
43.
Item 40. Password is right. Password দুইটা পড়ে. Password দুইটা পড়ে. If you are not so busy. ঠিক আছে, you come whenever you are coming, I'll take it.
Both sides are ready also.
তিনটা আসো না? তিনটা আসলে
ନାଇଁ ତିନିଟା ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ପିଆଲି ବେଞ୍ଚଟା ଅଛି ତିନିଟା ବେଳେ ହେଲେ
କରିକି ଆରାମ ସେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ. ତିନଟା ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବେ.
we both the parties will come.
Both of you come at the time I'll take. 3:30 whatever. But
ନାଇଁ
3 ପୂର୍ବରୁ ନାହିଁ. Okay, next.
43.
43.
Yes, ma'am.
I have filed my, I have filed that IA and for petitioner
What is the IA, sir?
to recall that earlier order, my lord.
What is the order I have passed?
Uh,
Have I passed the order? No passed. Co-order recall, कौन recall है वो?
yes, order dated 15, my lord,
15.
15/5/24, my lord. That CRPF constable matter, my lord. Where Ames helped me fit, my lord. Ames Bhubaneswar. Your lordship directed Ames Bhubaneswar to examine and declare whether I am fit for the job or not.
Yes.
Ames declared, my lord.
एम्स का मैं आउटरे में चाहूँगी क्या ना एम्स जो दे दिला रिपोर्ट से रिपोर्ट टा neither here nor there. So much confusion.
Yes, ma'am. I got the report on the attack. My was on certified copy from this corner court, my lord. What your lordship and asked, they have answered it, my lord. Your lordship asked them to declare whether he is fit or not. But your lordship, your lordship order that yes.
Is he unfit due to hypospadias?
Yes, my lord.
That is not correctly answered.
Yes, my lord. That is answered.
That's the
my lord.
problem.
Your lordship,
That's why I wanted it to.
the report. Your lordship, a report is available.
That's why I am saying ना आर्म फोर्स हॉस्पिटल लो आसीबो ये माने साधारण हॉस्पिटल लो जानो ना दी
AC medical college
नहीं AC medical college भी नहीं आर्म फोर्स हॉस्पिटल इज द बेस्ट हॉस्पिटल.
Your lordship, this court cannot dispute, madam. This is expert.
Yes, I can dispute, sir. I can dispute.
They have answered.
It is not properly done. I have to dispute, sir.
They have
not done properly. I'm not writing against those experts, but otherwise I should have written. Order लिखी थी, मैं लिखी ली.
अपन जहाँ question कल they have answered it.
नहीं answered it not properly. मैं जोड़ो exact answer मैं चाहूँ तो किसी का करना.
नहीं exact they have answered the question. The query made by this court. They have answered it, my lord.
कौन कोई चीज़? ये यही लोकटा यही प्रकार डिजीज रे आर्मी रे कामो करी पारिबो ना नहीं.
Yes, they have answered it.
कौन दे जंदी आंसर सर?
Your lordship, the space the report, my lord.
कौन लिखी जंदी?
I prefer passport. On behalf of CK Pradhan Body,
passport.
Kali ka passport.
See, sir. अच्छा आपन यदि प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो आर्म फोर्स हॉस्पिटल वाला असुविधा कौन अछि? आर्म फोर्स they will see
matter of record.
This kind of thing, it is not a normal cancer or some other. This is a very serious
I have not a serious, my lord. Hypospadias.
That will have impact on your working.
Nothing, my lord. No, your lordship, I have no. ମୁଁ भी search କରିଛି. Search କରିକି नेट रू बाहर करछि व्हाट इज हाइपोस्पाडियस. नहीं आपण हाइपोस्पाडियस ता कोन देखो.
जंग मेडिकल भी वर्ती.
मो तांकर से रिपोर्ट एकदम राइट दीटा एसी मेडिकल कॉलेज एम्स कॉलेज. How can this court dispute the expert report? That is the question.
I have to dispute is not properly written.
No, they have gone given. They have answered properly, my lord. Let's see hypospadias, my lord.
Oh, काली देखिए काली. ମୁଁ already I have done research, sir. ମୁଁ body सारी करी करछि एमति नहीं करिन.
ମୁଁ ପୁରା research कला ପରେ I এটা file କରିछि.
Not only that.
The report is quite
not only that. ମୁଁ urologist साइ consult करथिली. କହିବି ସେ ୟୁରିଷ୍ଟ ନା ବି କହିଦେବି କହିବି ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଗୋଟେ ଫେମସ୍ ୟୁରିଷ୍ଟ ନା କନସଲ୍ଟ କରିଥିଲେ ଏଇ କଥା ହେଲା ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ପାସ୍ କରୁଛି ଅର୍ଡର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଅଫ ସାର୍ ଆର୍ମି ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଆର୍ମି କୁ ଯାଉଛି ଆର୍ମିରେ କାମ କରିପାରିବ ନା ନାଇଁ ପାରିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ତାର କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହବ will take care that's why you have to take these things next
ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା 2020 ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ
ହେଲା କଣ
ସେ କେତେ ଦିନ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହେଲା ଜଲ୍ଦି ହେଇଯିବ ସେ ଯୋଉ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ହେଲେ Next.
My point is this court, High Court cannot dispute the expert report.
No, you have to dispute. Sometimes
No.
it is disputable that you have to dispute.
Expert opinion, High Court cannot. High Court is.
Expert opinion, expert ମାନେ ଠିକ ନ ଲେଖା dispute କରିପାରିବ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ constitutional judgment ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଥିରେ ଦେଖି
ହେଇଥାଉ I am not confused. I am
ଆପଣ
not.
ସେ ଏଇଟା
ଆପଣ ଫେଭର ଗଲା ବୋଲି ଯେ ଆପଣ ସବୁ ମୁଁ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଫେଭର ରେ ଗଲା ବୋଲି କହୁନି what is the law I am saying my lord whether
law is factual issue law କୋଉଠି ଆଇଲା
No, no.
law no facts
fact my lord this is a expert whether
the
High Court can
facts-
dispute an
now
expert
yes,
opinion or
come,
not
yes, come, yes.
yeah accident to accident
Last time because I have seen because this person with this problem
Yes.
whether he will be able to do this discharge duty or actually ଲେଖିଲିନି
ସେ
ଖାଲି ଏମିତି ଶିଖିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାଙ୍କ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ରେ ଅଛି ସେ ପାର୍ଟଟା
ନାଇଁ
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ଅଛି ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ମୁଁ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପି ନେଲା ପରେ
ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କର ଆମର ତ ଅରିଜିନାଲ କପି ଅଛି
ହଁ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ ନେଲା ପରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ମୁଁ
ହଉ ଆମର ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ ଅଛି
ଅରିଜିନାଲ
ଆମର ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା କଣ ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ବାଲା ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଥିଲି ସେ କଣ ଲେଖିଲି ମେଡିକାଲ ବୋର୍ଡ ଅଫ ଏମ୍ସ ବ୍ଲା 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 met on so and so
yes
okay the medical board went through the opinion of Professor Prashant Nayak, Department of Urology, and came to a unanimous conclusion that Mr. So of so can perform his duties without any hindrance
Yes.
from his disease.
then the
ସେମାନେ କଣ what
ସେଇ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ତା ନେକ୍ସଟ ପେଜ ରେ ଅଛି ଯୋ
ସେଥିରେ ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ତାପରେ ଅଛି
Hypospadias,
next report
my
ସେଥିରେ
lord.
କଣ ଲେଖିଛି
local examination no symptom of hypospadias now they have answered it
general examination normal no symptom
therefore I say that an expert opinion how can High Court dispute it
yes what do you say Mr. Yes.
My lord, I have got an instruction from the department that your lordship may direct for a fresh review medical board. A review medical board is constituted by the CAP. And subsequently, it is disputing the matter that he has sent to high-tech hospital and what report high-tech has given, that is his dispute.
no AMC report
No, prior to that dispute. Then your lordship.
So now AIMS has given a report that there is no symptom of hypersphagia.
Yes, that
Now-
yes, until it is produced before the review medical board. He has to produce before the review medical board. And review medical
Let
board.
him produce this before the review medical board.
review medical I have challenged the before the
ଗୋଟେ
review
କାମ
medical
କରନ୍ତୁ
board
ନା କେତେ ତାକୁ ବୁଲେଇବେ ଏଇ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟାକୁ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତୁ then let him produce the review medical board.
That.
ଏଠି କହୁଛି ନର୍ମାଲ ବୋଲି କହୁଛି
everything is no move net work is hypospadias
ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ
yes madam
ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ so what do you say
That medical report also not with me. But yes, been.
Xerox
Yes,
ଆପଣ ଦେଖିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ମେଡିକାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ
copy ଦେବି।
କୁହନ୍ତି
ହଁ
give him that report ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ କାଲି ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ କାଲି ଫାଇନାଲ ଡିସ୍କସନ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ବୁଝିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା ବୁଝିବା
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
ଓକେ ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର କିଛି ତ ନାହିଁ ତ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ କାହିଁ ଅନନେସେସରି ସେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କରୁଥିବୁ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
44.
44
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, this petition has been filed for a direction to the opposite parties to pay the gratuity amount of the petitioner as per the entitlement. Your Lordship, the request of the petitioner for the payment of gratuity has been rejected on the ground that since a criminal proceeding is pending in the name of the petitioner, Your Lordship. Even though the disciplinary proceeding, the petitioner has already been exonerated from the disciplinary proceeding, but since the criminal proceeding is pending, hence it has been rejected.
Your Lordship, I have
But
a,
if disciplinary proceedings has been, they have exonerated, then why the gratuity?
Here, 66 clause 2 says, no gratuity shall be paid to the government servant until the conclusion of the department proceeding, depend or judicial proceedings and issue of final order. Or
But departmental proceedings तो सरी जाइए ना और कोइला मना को
any of the proceeding is pending, then is not.
सेटा के ते लागियो
criminal trial is in the stage of evidence, Your Lordship.
ये just started in which year?
In the year 2018, Your Lordship.
18 to 24 evidence चलची the which district judge?
Vigilance.
Vigilance judge Bargad nothing.
It was then transferred to Cuttack, Your Lordship. It was transferred to Cuttack, Vigilance Judge Cuttack.
The vigilance judge Cuttack is directed to submit the status report. The status of the present case, not status of the present case, and also to indicate approximately how many months he will take to conclude the trial and pronounce the judgment. Yes, case number case number
I'll provide, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I only had one contention, Your Lordship. The Act, the Gratuity Act, Your Lordship, does not talk about forfeiting or withholding of the gratuity whenever a proceeding is pending, Your Lordship. And this is the pension rule, Your Lordship. There's only one question to be examined by this court, Your Lordship. Whenever the Act does not provide, but the rule does, then it
Yes,
should
just
supersede.
it will serve two purpose. I'll deal with this also. Let him get the information. What is the judgment?
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Put a 27. No, we'll deal with this as well. And also give me case law on this gratuity.
Yes, yes.
Can't hold gratuity. Hello?
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Next,
Item 45.
45.
Item 45, my lord.
The opposite party.
I am for the petitioner on behalf of Mr. Ramdas Achari. My lord, this matter has been settled during the pendency. Just to apprise this honorable court, your lordship, the petitioner had availed a loan from the opposite parties, that is
We have
Cholamandalam.
settled it. Now.
Yes, my lord. The loan has been settled. I am filing the memo with the copy of the NOC. So in light of the same.
So you don't have any problem? It's been settled?
No, my lord, the account has been closed.
Yes, they have provided NOC. So in light of the same, lordship may dispose of the same.
In the light of the letter dated 29th May 2024, issued by the opposite party.
Opposite party number 4, your lordship.
Opposite party
That is
number
the
4.
branch manager, Cholamandalam
Number
Investment.
4, wherein it has been mentioned that the loan agreement between the petitioner and the borrower and the bank, the opposite party has the opposite party has also issued no objection. The matter has been settled. No purpose of it shall serve.
Grateful, my lord.
Next,
Item 46.
46.
May I please, your lordship? I have filed an IA for stay of execution proceeding pending before the senior civil judge, Keunjhar, my lords.
What is why?
Actually, my lords, I have challenged the judgment of permanent Lok Adalat directing the insurance company to pay 5,45,000 rupees along with 10% interest.
Here for insurance?
No, I am for the insured, my lord.
The opposite party number one.
Insurance company ki, apna.
No insurance.
Oh. So what is the order passed?
Under my lords, Actually, what has happened that the insurance company has insured the truck of the insured. During validity period of the insurance policy, the truck met with an accident. Due to the accident, the driver's side of the truck was heavily damaged, and but surprisingly, the helper was injured, but surprisingly, the driver was unhurt. He was escaped unhurt. So this insurance company deputed one surveyor, my lords, namely ICS Assure Services Private Limited, who made a motor accident reconstruction report. In that report, they have submitted that with this impact of accident, the driver cannot escape unhurt. So the helper was driving the vehicle who had no driving license, and they have illegally planted the driver, this person, to be the driver of the vehicle to get claim. That is the only ground. My and the learned PLA court rejected.
How the what helper was injured?
Helper was severely injured, but driver was not injured at all. So the scientific report that ICS Assure, that report shows that in this accident the driver cannot escape unhurt. So helper was driving. So only to get the claim, they have added that portrayed this person to be the driver of the vehicle. That is the only ground, and that on that ground the claim was repudiated. But the learned PLA court held that this scientific report has no evidentiary value because no eyewitnesses were produced.
Correct.
And
Rightly done. Rightly, the PLA has rightly dealt with the issue. Because you simply Ayla so-called your sources, SSR say Bhavidala, MT he cannot. How can you say so? Kahaku eyewitness account nahi thila.
Because the accident was
surmise conjectures
because the dead of the night ray so there was
nothing doing.
One prayer. I have only one prayer. The learned PLA has awarded 10% interest.
Interest
That's 6%.
Interest
Again, interest is
interest.
Interest part कमे दियंतु किंतु 2021 accident हेलानी this person is harassed बोले 2021 that is the only source of livelihood मिलट
इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट केते होची पहले हिसाब कले 3 वर्ष रे केते होची
10% लेखा 5,45,000
केते हबो पहले हिसाब कले
लक्ष 63,500 टंका होची
सब्सटेंशियल अमाउंट
आज्ञा
सब्सटेंशियल अमाउंट होची
सेठे
ठीक है 5% कर दे 10 to 5 कर दे 5% कर दे then maybe modified to 5% instead of 10% हला you तुम भी खुश Yes,
but let the amount be deposited within a stipulated.
Within 8 weeks we'll deposit.
Within 8 weeks. Next.
Item 48.
48.
We could not have received the counter short period for file a rejoinder.
Land grants with the petitioner 6 weeks time to file the regional list matter. 25th July.
Obliged.
Next.
49.
49. ये आगरा केस नहीं कि उड़ीसा को कौन पढ़े छो?
ये लड़े bank has not rolled to
PM SBI आगरा.
What happened to this case?
आगरा वाला ये थी क्या है नहीं?
FIR has been registered against another person. The present petitioner is the relative of the accused person.
That's why he ना कौन पाया सिला?
Again, nahi.
Why your name is figured?
In FIR, neither in the FIR nor also in charge sheet. No name is there. But your lordship, the police has been seized. And bank freeze the account.
What did happen? Tell me. What was the sequence of event? How it unfold?
Only the relative of the accused persons, nothing else.
What is the accused person? I don't know anything. Just tell me from the beginning. Story batao.
Is the your lordship, the present petitioner is the brother of the accused person.
Accused
And
कौन
what-
कला?
Accused, your lordship kindly turn to page.
Sir, accused कौन कला? कौन तो ना ऐसे front page कहीं
That is offense under section 420. See what I go, so page 11, your lordship, kindly turn to page 11. The Tata company रे job दवा पे ही see what I go, सब पैसा collection करती है. चाकरी करे दवा.
के?
The main accused, all the three main accused.
And how you are connected to this?
Only the relative of the accused.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
There is no connection.
No connection.
Except being relative.
Yes. And earlier, your lordship directed in another police station, that is Bikrampur police station, they have unfreezed the account.
So you have come for unfreezing?
Yes.
We have just carried out the order of the SI. So we have freezed it. Accordingly, we have freezed the.
ये लोग का unfreeze है जी.
Sorry?
ये same लोग का unfreeze है जी order.
Yes. Same local. But that is a different police station. And the present case is the.
This way.
Not involved. ठीक है सिमिलर ऑर्डर कर दो.
Deep look.
Okay, up to lunch break.
Annexure A देई सर अगर देखिए पुलिस रा
हाँ.
Special notice
और आप लोग कौन है जी?
Special notice matter WPC 14319 of 24.
Now, people challenge the eviction notice, my lord, on the.
Eviction. Code ये अपना मारी बस्ती लगी.
Annexure 3, my page 11. I was in quarter allotted in favor of the petition, man.
Quarter.
Yes, ma'am.
कौन चाकरी करते हैं अपना?
Municipality.
Municipality?
My husband was serving.
को municipality?
Devgarh municipality.
Devgarh municipality.
My lord.
So you are the wife.
My lord. My husband passed away in the meantime.
When did he pass away? कब pass away ले?
2022, man.
2022. अपन 2022 पर अपना घर क्वार्टर छाड़िया का था कहीं छाड़ना थी?
नहीं क्वार्टर चालू थी ना.
हाँ?
ये नहीं. I'm continuing my lord.
वो पचार छे अपन चाकरी मिल लगी हस्बैंड रो.
हाँ.
हस्बैंड चाकरी मिल गला.
ना चाकरी मिल ना है.
तो अपन क्वार्टर के मारी बस रही भी कंटिन्यू करके छाड़ देबे नहीं. 2 मास के 3 मास ना मिलियो टाइम अपन वर्ष 2 वर्ष वाला
नहीं नहीं. This is the municipality quarter, my lord.
So जहाँ क्वार्टर हो.
सेटा allot is 2004.
Clearance building.
हाँ?
Slum
Clearance building, man.
Slum area to be basti.
ओ से कोन आंदी अपन मोहली हस्बैंड चाकरी करते तांग क्वार्टर मारी बस.
नहीं नहीं.
से तो पचर जो कोन आंदी सेटा अलग कथा को.
Sorry.
मो এইটা হ্যান্ডেল করুন না আমার তো আমার ক্লারিফাই না করলে আমি কিন্তু ইয়ে হবো.
I am explaining.
ଦୁଇ ଦିନ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ କରିଦେଲେ I can
No,
understand things.
fine.
ଏଇଟା କଣ ଏଇଟା
Now, kindly have a glance here, 3 minor.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସ୍ଲମ ରେ ଆମକୁ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ସ୍ଲମ ସେ 400 ଟଙ୍କା ଲେଖା ଘର ଭଡା ନିଆଯାଏ no just ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ଲମ କ୍ଲିୟରେନ୍ସ ମାନେ ଏମାନଙ୍କ କଣ ମାନେ ସ୍ଲମ ରେ ଥିଲେ ଏମାନେ ତାକୁ ଆଣିକି ଏଠି କରାହେଇଛି କରାହେଇଛି ଯୋଉ ରୋଡ ସାଇଡ ଯୋଉ କରାହେଇଛି ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ପଇସା ନିଆଯାଏ ମାସକୁ 400 ଟଙ୍କା
Nominal amount of 400.
400 ଟଙ୍କା ନଉଛନ୍ତି 400 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇପାରିବେ ସ୍ଲମ ବାଲାକୁ ହଟେଇବ ମାଗଣା ଦେବ ନା କଣ ପଇସା ସେ କେତେ ମାସରେ ଦେଇପାରିନି କେତେ ମାସ ଦେଇନି
6 months, I am not able to.
ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
हाँ मैम
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
हाँ ସେତେବେଳେ 2004 ସବୁ ହେଇଛି
rent of the
Everything
quarter
is-
should be paid on or before 5th of କେତେ ମାସ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
6 ମାସର ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
6 ମାସ
ହଁ।
କେବେ ଦେବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ଦିନ ଲାଗିବେ ଦେଇଦେବେ ମର୍ଡର ପାଇଁ
ମାନେ ଆମେ ୱିଡୋ ମାଇଲ
ୱିଡୋ ଯେ କେତେ ଦିନ ତ ଲାଗିବ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ୱିଡୋ ବୋଲି କଣ ଆମ
ଗୋଟେ ମାସ ଟାଇମ୍
ଗୋଟେ ମାସ ଦେଇଦେବେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଏବିଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କଣ କେତେ ଏବିଟ୍ କରି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
kindly have a glance my lord page 11
page 11
ମାନେ hello your lordship I am sorry my lord your lordship able to read the Odia
ହଁ କଣ
ଏ ଓଡିଆ ଆପଣ ପଢିପାରିବେ
ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଓଡିଆ ମୁଁ ପୁରା
ନା ମୁଁ ଓଡିଆ ଜାଣିଛି
ମୁଁ ଓଡିଆ ଆମର ଏଠି ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଓଡିଶା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ୱେବସାଇଟ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆମର more than 100 ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଓଡିଆରେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ ହେଇଛି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟର more than 60-70 ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ ହେଇଛି I am chairman of the Odia translation committee so we are translating that
I'm lack of knowledge I'm sorry my lord last line we should lordship go through
lack of knowledge on me not in Odia okay ପୌର ପରିଷଦ ସରକାରୀ କୋଠା ଦେବଗଡ଼ ମହାବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ ପାଖ ଖାଲି କରିବା ନିମନ୍ତେ ଏତଦ୍ୱାରା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜଣାଇ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଯେ ମାନ୍ୟବର ଉଚ୍ଚ ନ୍ୟାୟାଳୟଙ୍କ ଆଦେଶ ମୁତାବକ ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା କଣ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ବି ଥିଲା
ହଁ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ
କୋଉଠି
ଅଛି
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେସରେ ନା ଇଞ୍ଜିନ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୋର ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ କେସ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଁ
ହଁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଦବାକୁ କହିଥିଲେ till dispose of the representation I shall not be evicted last line if you lordship last line my lord of the order I have quoted also dispute resolved such and such and petitioner hearing is still in occupation of the land in question last line my lord thereafter petitioner shall not be evicted from the disputed property in question till a decision is taken on the representation to be filed by the petitioner within time schedule.
ଏ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ କଥା ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖ ହଁ ମୁଁ ତ କହିବି ଆପଣ ମାସେ ଭିତରେ ଦେବି କହିଛନ୍ତି ଗଲା ଓକେ the present petitioner seeks to challenge the order dated 5/6/2024 issued by 5
Municipality man office man 3 mile executive
5/6/2024 issued by the executive officer Devgarh Municipality of Pittsburgh 3 for eviction from the house which is the only residence of the present petitioner. What's up? The petitioner is a landless person residing on the land in question since last 20 years. Hence, the petitioner shall be prejudiced if she is evicted from the residence in question. In such view of the matter, the order passed by the municipality, Devgarh municipality, Devgarh, order dated, sorry, 5/6/2024, 5/6/2024. Dated slash annexer 3, annexer 3 shall not be given effect to till the matter is pending, till the matter is disposed of. In concept of the petitioner submit that the petitioner shall arrange to pay the outstanding dues within a period of
1 month.
पक्का ना 2 months कर दूसरी है ना दे परिवे ना 2 months 3 months कर दूसरी 3 months from today है and the municipal authorities are directed to not to evict the present petitioner till the matter is 3 months का 2 months कर देता 2 months का list the matter. Not concept of the state worship notice copy okay open number 3 के open notice issue balance registered post collector दरकार की दरकार नहीं collector particular है So want to move waves of notice data by registered post and let the matter be listed 25th July. Hello. Next. Copy नहीं जी सांगे आज. Next.
Passed over matter, item 32.
32.
Item 32.
Now confident?
Yes.
Public to the Mr. Mishra requested me to urgently matter tomorrow. So no, he requested me.
चलो ठीक है tomorrow. You are getting more time. Huh? ठीक tomorrow. Day after tomorrow को जाओ उधर ना मिलेगी. You will prepare. You will argue, huh? Next.
Item 50.
50.
wait, please, Milods. 50, this is a case of the year 2008, Milods. There's a Kandhamal riot which happened in which already complained.
क्या हुआ?
We have
Riot में क्या हुआ?
Riots Milods, the petitioner is the mother of the deceased Sipahi who was killed during the Kandhamal riots. Around 1,500 people had encroached the police station and they had opened fire in which all the police officers ran away, but this petitioner's son had stayed back and it fought, due to which he had died in 2008. 2009 onwards, the mother had been running around from post to pillar, asking for the compensation, Milods. And Milods, may kindly see Milods order.
Not given, sir. Given.
But we have no instruction.
Copy. Let him check.
Milods.
You verify from your client.
Milods.
I am fixing it day after tomorrow.
Milods.
Huh?
Milods.
And concept of the state submit that the compensation has already been paid to the petitioner. Huh? Pension. Upper कौन चाहते हैं?
Family pension ही चाहते हैं.
Pension has been paid. Sent to the treasury. Learn concept of the petitioner to verify this sum. Then let him verify the time lagi hota hai. Let it come 1 week after this. 27th probably.
Okay.
Just get it verified.
I'll verify. Milods.
By the time jadi eighth will pay it.
Okay. I'm great.
That's only family pension, nothing
Okay.
else.
I'm great.
Next.
52.
अच्छा just a minute. एथरे आओ किसी पाई नहीं से खाली family pension.
Asked for all any other ancillary benefits also.
चलते गुड़े soldier गुड़े सी कौन paramilitary force
Okay, he was in Sipoy in the first SS battalion, Sambalpur, my lords,
Acha.
OSAP.
तो इथर ओएसबी बैटालियन जदि लोक कोन से गुटे एम्बुश रे मरि जाउची कि एमती सब इंसिडेंट मरि ता पे गुटे पैकेज ना थिबो गवर्नमेंट रो
already here is only for family pension.
एआई जेसी सब
No, they called the mother of the present petitioner to apply for the family pension
asking
again.
whether any other benefit you have received.
I'll seek instructions before that
Check it.
again.
There may be some other benefits. also.
Last week of July.
आपण आउ कम benefit दिया जाए and if other benefits are there, she should get it. And they have as far as I know, there are certain package for such kind of death. କାରଣ ତୁ କି ନକ୍ସଲ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଫାଇଟ୍ କଲା ମରିଗଲା ଖାଲି ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ପେନସନ ପାଇବ ତାକୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ ବି ଜିନିଷ ଅଛି ନା ପାଇଛି କି ନ ପାଇଛି
I'll confirm.
Check it.
I'll check.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Good.
ଯଦି ନ ପାଇଥିବ ପୁଣି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ହଁ ଜୁଲାଇ 1st ରେ ଆସୁଥିଲା 4th July
4th July.
check it properly
I'll check it.
next
Item 52.
52, my lord, may come next week on behalf of Mr. Tripathi,
52
my lord. Other side is also
Mr.
informed by
Tripathi election सरनी की सैलानी बोले
as next,
9th July
my lord.
53
53 already adjourned.
adjourned 54
54.
54 non-APS list the matter 23rd July 55
55 ବି adjourn ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
ସରିଗଲା
500 ରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି 3 PM ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି।
ଓ
ସତ୍ୟବ୍ରତ ମହାନ୍ତି
ଆଉ କାଁ 3 PM ତ ଘରେ ମନା କରିଦେ ଛାଡ଼ ବସ୍ତୁ ବସିବୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
3 PM କଣ ପାଇଁ ବସିବୁ
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ସେଟା
ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ କରିଦଉଛି ନହେଲେ
ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଟୁମରୋ କରିଦେ
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଟୁମରୋ କରିଦେ
ଠିକ
ଠିକ ଅଛି